No. Good. Okay, great. Nice to see you all. Your energy is awesome, right? So time is 9:10, guys, and let's start today's class, right? I will set the agenda for you today, right? And let's see like how are the breakdown of the things, because this is the first time you all are with me. So let's see like how are the things going on, right? And okay, and most of the things we'll be talking. Clear, everyone? Right? Okay, nice. Okay, so okay, let me share my screen. Let me set the agenda, like what are you going to get in today's class? What are the prerequisites you should know? Okay, and we will start the class. Okay, okay, clear. Okay. So all of you, so guys, all of you have your book, right? So as a mentor from today, right? I will be setting goal for everyone, right? Let's take like what is my goal for this batch. Okay, let me share my screen. All of you, wait, I will tell you. All of you see here. All of you see here, guys. What is my goal with your batch, right? That is what we will see today. Let me tell you like what is my goal with you all, what I'm going to do, what is the primary agenda for everyone to be in the class. Everything I will write down. So guys, please see here. Let's assume that this is my notebook. All of you see here. This is my notebook, guys. Okay. Okay. All of you see here. This is my notebook. All of you have your notebook with you, guys. Everyone. Now, everyone, I want to, if you don't have a notebook, get a paper, at least a white paper, or wherever you find that your basically your things should be there, right? Please get all the things. Okay. So I will tell like what exactly we are going to do. Clear, everyone, right? Okay. All of you are ready with your book? Clear, everyone? All of you have your notebook? Great. Okay. All of you see here? Okay, let's start the class. This is my notebook. Let's assume that. Okay, the first and foremost thing, my goal, I'll be writing. All of you open your notebook, guys. You all write what is your goal now. Now, my goal with 5.0 batch, the target is 40 LPA. Okay, this is my target. I want every student of my class to be sure that you are achieving some product-based companies. Now, second target is I should make sure my students are achieving product-based companies like 4.0 batch. Product-based, okay? I always target product-based, and that is why you are here, because your mentor himself has cracked Amazon, Walmart, SAP, Informatica, Airtel, Dun & Bradstreet, EPAM, whatnot, guys, like Adobe, Rubrik, Zeta, Simpress, Ness, and many more companies are there in line. Now, all of you open your front page of notebook. Guys, all of you, let's do this exercise for next 1 minute. All of you open your notebook. Yes, all of you open your notebook, guys, please. Now, in the first page, write down your goal. All of you, let's do this goal setting before the start of this class. Clear? All of you, set your goal and write down 2 goals for everyone. Like every individual in this class should write your goal. Now, go ahead and write your goal in the notebook, guys. After you write down, let me know that you have written, and we will move to the next phase of this class. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, guys? Yes. Great. Everyone has written in the class. I want everyone to write your goals. Very, very important, very, very beautiful thing which we are going to do. And this goal, after, like, if you say like down the line 1 month, if you are not getting motivation, this is what factor, the driving factor you should have. Without the goal, who will work, guys? Like MS Dhoni sir had his own goal, right? That is why he's a cricketer now, right? He's a legendary cricketer. Every individual should have their own goal. And down the line, if you are not getting motivation, if you are feeling that, okay, Praveen, I'm not able to do, okay, Praveen, I'm not able to work on these things, what's next? This goal you should come and check once. Have you written? Can you write down, all of you? All of you write down your goals here. Just one goal. Everyone, I want to see everyone goal here in the chat. Okay, what is your goal? Please write down your goals, guys. Very, very beautiful. Product-based company by Jan 2024. Great. Achieve 40 LPA. Okay, great. What else? Noted. Okay, what else your goals are? Now, everyone working on DevOps, product-based companies, crack Google, 40 LPA, product-based companies, how to get 45 LPA. In 2024, I should crack 5.0, 50 LPA, crack Microsoft. By the way, I have cracked Microsoft also, right? To complete the course within timeline, 100% job you are looking for, should get placed in good company. Now, all these things are your goals. I'm really very happy to see everyone's goals in today's class. Very beautifully set today's goal, guys. Very, very good. And all of you, guys, all of you, if you are able to see, right, what is your goal? Yes, today's class, I will tell, many of the students will not be able to join today's class. That is why we always make the first session on YouTube also, so that they are able to get, okay? That is where we are able to get, okay? But going forward, it will not be there. Clear, everyone, right? All of you set the goals, right? So task number 1 is completed for today's class. Okay, right? Task number 1 is set. Now, going ahead, guys, let me tell you what we are going to learn today. First thing, today we will see DevOps and SRE fundamentals. SRE fundamentals, very basic things we will see. Very, very basic things we will see, right? And you will see that why individual wants to become DevOps engineer, what are the important factors that makes a engineer a DevOps engineer, and what are the important things you need to understand in real time. What are the DevOps engineers doing? That's why you all are here. Real time DevOps people, what they do, right? What they do. You all needs to know, right? What they need to do. Correct. This is what makes you different. This is what makes you feel good. Like, okay, this is where I am here. I need to learn real-time DevOps scenarios. I need to learn real-time DevOps examples. Yes or no? How many of you are here? Those who want to know what are the projects that were there in Walmart? What are the projects that were there in Amazon? What are the projects that were there in my previous company like Verizon? What are the projects that are there in my previous organization, Infosys? And you need to know many more things, guys. That is why you all are here. You are learning from a mentor who has cracked all those companies. And guys, whatever the project you are seeing in the course, everything is a project from one company. For example, I will tell the chatbot project, which is there in your curriculum, is from Walmart. Clear, everyone? I have received few awards also for this project. Clear, everyone? Like Jira portal creation is from Verizon. Okay, clear, everyone? All of you clear? Every individual in this class will have Jira portal, guys. Jira portal you guys will have. Okay, your own individual Jira portal. We will create the tickets. We will manipulate the tickets. We will make sure what is there for you. Clear, everyone? Are you all clear, guys? Yes? Yes? Great. Now, similarly, all the company projects are amalgamated for you. Now, now task 2 is completed. What was our task 2? What are you going to get in today's class? Now, task 3, guys, very important. This is one of the important things which you need to follow. Now, I will be setting prerequisites for you, prerequisites for everyone in the class. Now, this is very important. If you want to achieve something, if you want to achieve your goal, which you have set in task 1, if you want to work on the projects which you have set in task 2. Now, task 3 is very important. That is why I have kept here the task 3. Now, all of you, please try to understand what is this task 3 doing. So let's assume that in task 3, guys, one of the important factor for this class is never give up. Okay, never give up. Why? Because many of you are freshers. Now, how many of you are freshers? Give me a yes. Guys, in the chat, how many of you are freshers? Give me a yes. Everyone? Right? Now, what I would like to tell guys, देखो, बहुत simply बोलता हूं मैं. I will tell everyone very genuinely, guys, to get a job, you always don't need 1 + 1 = 2. To be honest, never we need to get a job 1 + 1 = 2. But what you need to know is how we can play with this output 2, right? How we can manipulate this 2, how we can creatively make this 2 into various kinds of things, how we can make this 2 into a dollar symbol, or what is the with 2, what are the outputs you can make is what you need. Clear, everyone, right? You being a fresher, you should understand with this output 2, what are the ways you can generate unique things, guys? Uniquely, you can make yourself unique. That is what I am here to help you. Now, that is where I tell the first point, never give up. Now, when you are giving up, let me tell you, if you find any difficulty, guys, all of you see, if you find any difficulty, right, in the class, right, there are 2 ways to talk about that. One is always you can Google. Right now, you all know that most of the software engineers are dependent on Google. I myself is dependent on Google. I'll be showing in the class how you are troubleshooting. With the troubleshooting, what are you learning and everything. Right. The second one is you have the Prime Batch5.0 Telegram chat group. Right. Telegram chat group. This I will share at the end of this class chat group. Okay. And the third one is you have the community page of 5.0. Now, all of you are clear, right, with this? Never give up, guys. Now, you need to understand when you are stuck somewhere. Suppose you are installing some tool, right? Tomorrow we will see tools installation and basics, right? When you are installing tools, you need to understand this tools installation needs like efforts. Without your efforts, it will not be working. Now, when you are getting doubt, I would request you all to follow these things. Never give up. Now, all of you clear with the first point? What is task 3? Never give up. Never give up in this class, and I assure you the best content going forward. Clear, everyone, guys? Let's say, are you clear? Are you clear? Everyone? Everyone? Clear? Clear? Great, great. Nice. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Now, all of you see here. Now, one more thing. Now, all of you see here. One more thing. Task number 2. Now, when we are doing, guys, all of you see here, all the projects will be done on AWS. Okay. So don't need to see that whether your laptop is good, laptop is bad. Don't worry. You just need your laptop to join the class. Okay. All the 12+ projects. Okay. All of you see here. Are you all able to see my screen, guys, fully? All of you are able to see my screen, full screen? Guys, give a chat. Yes, all of you are able to see, right? Okay, my picture is somewhere down to you. Yes, my picture is down, right? Okay. You are able to see my picture also, right? Okay, I want to make sure you are seeing my picture along with the class. Okay, now what is the task number? Like in the task number 3, what is the next thing? Guys, whatever the project you are having, 12+ projects, every project I will do in the class. Clear, everyone? Every project I will do in the class. Your mentor will do in the class. Clear, everyone? Right? Your mentor will do in the class very, very beautifully. Each project we will execute, each of the projects. Similarly, week by week, I will execute. Now, all of you need to understand task number 4 is, like 3 is, how you have joined the class, how you have joined the class, today's class. Similarly, you will get your PDFs, your notes, your documents, your project documents, everything under the Zoom class itself, guys. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? You don't need to go anywhere. How you have joined today's class? The same way, under that only, let's say this is module 1. Okay, today's class is module 1, session 1, right? That's how you have joined, right? Now, under this, you will have all the documents, the class notes, the project documents, and the assignments also, guys. I hope you know that we will be doing assignments in the class. Now, that is where the point number 4 is, assignments. When we are talking about assignments, very, very important that you all complete the assignments on time. Clear, everyone? I am setting the prerequisites for you, and this every DevOps engineer in my class should follow going ahead. Like assignments, you should complete on time. You should complete on time. Clear, everyone? Guys, are you clear with the assignments? Right? Now, point number 5. This is a deal between you and me, guys. Okay? This is the deal between you and me, where we will try to understand, right, what are the things we are going to do. Clear, everyone? Now, you see point number 5, when we are talking about point number 5, we need to understand that, okay, I am with a mentor who has cracked jobs in Amazon, Microsoft, Walmart, your SAP, Informatica, Adobe, Paytm, Zeta, Rubrik, Nest, Simpress, and lot many companies like that. I have 30 plus offers with me, right? Now, all of you need to understand whatever I tell, guys, my students have followed. And they were achieving 36 LPA highest crossing package in Batch 4.0. In which company, guys? Can anyone tell me which company she got placed? Visa. Okay, Visa. In my Prime Batch 4.0, she got into Visa. And not only that, many students have got 30 LPA. Okay, 2 students got 30 LPA. 2 students got 13 LPA as freshers, right? And how this was possible? Only because they are able to complete. And many students, like JFrog also one student got. I will release his name along with the testimonial soon. Like something like PwC, I think PricewaterhouseCoopers also is there, right? People are messaging me. People are sending mails. Adobe, one girl has got, you would have seen 30 LPA. How they are getting, guys? They are with me till the end of the class. I am setting very beautiful line here. If you are attending every class and making sure that you are completing all assignments, right? All assignments, then no one is able to stop you. At least I want everyone to understand you are going to learn some beautiful things. Yes, beautiful. Now, freshers have also got, guys, don't worry. If 30 LPA, 36 LPA experienced people are getting, freshers are getting 13 LPA. Guys, being a fresher, do you think that 13 LPA is good or not? Being a fresher, among 2,000 people, my student got selected in Zoho. Okay. Now, 13 LPA is good or not, guys? To start with the career, to support parents, to stand on your own feet, to make proud of yourself in the society. Is it good or not? My package was 3 lakhs, guys, when I started my journey. Okay. My monthly income was 13,000, right? Yes, correct. 13 LP is very good, right? When you're grabbing some opportunity, always make sure you are doing good. Now, point number 6, one last point we will talk about. Okay. One last point. Guys, whatever package you get, okay, whatever package you get, this is what the underlying tag. Even you get 1 lakh package, even you have to work for free to someone, even are you doing freelancing, okay, grab the opportunity. Grab the opportunity. Very beautiful, guys. You all know that I met Dhoni sir. I grabbed the opportunity. Someone was sitting at that place where I was standing and asking the question. I grabbed that opportunity because I was just front of Dhoni sir. I wanted to grab that opportunity. I grabbed it. I got famous. I got millions of people watching me. What I wanted, I got from that. Now you see, I am getting goosebumps when I'm talking about that moment. Grab the opportunity. You all are here grabbing the opportunity from lakhs of students, right? You all are here in Prime Batch 5.0. Among the lakhs of students, you have taken your first step the first step towards the success, and you are with the mentor who is doing really great, and he has kept all the projects for you, right, are real time. I would like to tell. I'm again challenging every student of here, those who are here. If you find any mentor in your circle who has cracked this kind of companies, who are giving this kind of results, 36 LPA, 30 LPA, where people are acknowledging my work, I am open to take that challenge, guys. Okay. I'm very proud that I have cracked 35 plus companies, including service-based and product-based, right? And I'm always sharing my experience on LinkedIn. You all can see with the questions and everything, right? Now, all of you are good. Shall we start the class, guys? In first 30 minutes, I have set the agenda for you. All of you ready for the class? Now, give me a hands up. All of you are ready for the class? Yes? Great. Right? Clear? Beautiful. Great. 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 Nice. Nice to see you all. We will start the first class today. All of you see here. I am starting the first session of yours today. Let's see. All of you should have your notes, guys. Okay. This is the bridge class, basically. Okay. Very important. We will start with the principles of DevOps. Now, why DevOps? What is the need of the DevOps? Why people are very much interested in talking with DevOps? And one more thing, guys, all of you see here, if you have any doubts in the class, now you guys should understand that every 1.5 hours, we will have a 15 minutes of doubt session, right? And also at the end of the session, I'll be talking with you all. Clear, everyone? And I am able to see every one of the chat, those who are raising hand, those who are talking with me, those who are having any questions, I'll be taking, because the first 30 minutes was just like your basics, your prerequisites. Clear, everyone? I am able to see everyone's chat in the class. Beautiful. Yes. Are you all clear with this? Great. Awesome. Now, all of you see here. Yes. Great. Now, all of you see here the core principles of DevOps. Let's start our first slide with why we need DevOps. If you are joining any company like Walmart, Amazon, Flipkart, Microsoft, what is the need of DevOps engineers? What is the basic need of DevOps engineer? Let's start today's class with the first slide, guys, the core principles of DevOps. Now, I would like to tell you, in the olden days, in the year, let's think like this. In the year 2016, when I started my career with Infosys, people were using, there was no DevOps, guys. No DevOps. I was a Java developer. Then I moved into testing. Then I moved into DBA. And now I am into DevOps. So guys, with this, what you have understood now, DevOps came after all of this. Yes or no? Right? DevOps comes after Java, test, DBA. You explore all the things and then come to DevOps. So one more thing I would like to tell you. You are going to get a mentor who know Java, who know testing. I was a testing engineer. I know progression, regression, continuous integration testing, every other testing. I am a DBA also, where I have worked with direct clients. I was maintaining the MySQL databases for the clients. I have worked with Java, pure Java development I have done. And now I am into DevOps. So you need to understand, that is why my students are able to go with 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Like they are able to change the domains also. Clear, everyone? Now tell me, guys, in the olden days, I'm just talking about the olden days, where you need to understand, right? All of you see here, all of you see here, just I will tell you one example, right? Suppose you are writing hello world, right? Suppose you are writing hello world code. Okay. Now, when you are writing hello world code, all of you are writing in some tool, right? Or software, right? All of you. If you are not knowing, that's completely fine. So guys, all of you see here, the code which is here, the developer is writing. Now understand that this developer is you. All of you see here, I'm talking about the old pattern, which we are always taking. Like in the 2016, 2015, when DevOps was just booming in, when DevOps was just coming into the market, at that point of time, the code was very important for the people. And what people did, you know, they divided people into teams. Let's think like this. The code is designed by, let me tell you in this way, the code is designed by 5 people team. Okay. The building is done by 2 people team. The testing is done by 2 people team. The release is done by 3 people team. The operations is done by 4 people team. Now, total, how many people are here, guys? Can you all tell me? Can you all tell me how many people are here? All total. All of you can tell me how many people are here, right? Now you see 16 people of manpower where different kinds of stages are there. Okay. But guys, after DevOps came into market, the beauty is this 16 people have been divided into 6 people. Only 6 people, like I will divide into 2 halves, part 1 and part 2, guys. Now, all of you see, this 16 people are divided into 2 parts again. Let's assume that part 1 are 4 people, part 2 are, let's take 2 people. All of you understood? 2 DevOps engineers, 4 coders, guys. Are you understanding with me? Yes. Now you see how many people, 16 people have converted into how many people, guys? Are you understanding? 16 people work is converted into 6 people work. Are you understanding or not? Are you understanding or not, guys? Yes or no? The 16 people task has converted into the 6 people task beautifully by DevOps engineer. Only 2 DevOps engineer per team. And now you need to understand how much is the market competition. Guys, if you want to stand out, your resume should be good. Your mock interviews, like your interview pattern should be like lion. When you're talking with the interview, yes, boss, tell me. You ask me next question, I am ready to give that answer. That is what the confidence you need to have. Like lion, you should roar in the interview. Eye-to-eye contact, like you should make him like, okay, you take me in, I will do any task for you. That is what the confidence you should get from this Prime Batch 5.0. My only agenda is that. Now, all of you see here, you all understood that 10 members team got into 2 members of DevOps engineer. Now you should understand that this DevOps people competition is more. Now you need to understand, to survive in this competition, you need to be unique. I always tell you need to be confident. You need to have more projects. Your resume should be good. And all these things are satisfied by your Prime Batch 5.0. Clear, everyone? Right? Now let's assume that what is the previous pattern? Like all of you see here, there are few things here which we need to understand. Like all of you. Now, all of you see here, the collaboration, right? When we want to know, like DevOps is a pattern which will involve all these principles, guys. All of you are seeing? I will tell one by one. Please try to understand if you are very new. Now, DevOps involves the collaboration, very important. Now, between the dev team, right? This is the dev team. And between all these things, right, DevOps people come into picture. DevOps should need to know the build, test, release, management, operations, monitoring, and everything, guys. Clear, everyone? Now, all of you need to understand when we are doing collaboration, it means that DevOps people should be open for communication. Now, you need to understand your skills of communication is also important. Clear, everyone? Your skills of communication is very important if you want to become a DevOps engineer. Now, collaboration, you have to convince other team that, hey, boss, use my tool. Now, all of you tell me, when we are going to, let's say, like I am in the market and I am Jenkins. Okay, I am Jenkins. Now, how many of you will buy Jenkins for, let's take 10 rupees. Now, how many of you will buy Jenkins for 10 rupees? Can you tell me? Yes, you all will buy Jenkins for 10 rupees. Yes or no? Guys, yes, you all will buy. Okay. Now, no one is asking that, Praveen, you are telling you, I want to buy, but is it free or not? Now, you should, guys, you should always ask me that any DevOps tool which we are including in our Prime Batch 5.2, any tools, all tools are free, guys. Okay. All tools. Guys, one of the important thing, all tools which we are going to do hands-on are free. Recordings are available right under your modules. This video will be available right under your modules. No, we will not send any special links for recordings. All links will be available under the module itself. Clear, everyone? Right? Now, all of you need to understand whatever the tools which we are seeing, right? Whatever tools which we are seeing in the class, all are free tools. Now, I want to tell you, when you are collaborating, let's take you are a person here in another team, you are a person here in another team, you both are talking with each other. And if you both are having good rapport, good understanding, then only you will exchange your thoughts. In software, in IT, communication is the factor. Now, I want to tell every fresher, communication is an important factor for you to sit in any interview. That is where DevOps starts with collaboration. Are you all clear why I am stressing? Even experienced people don't understand the importance of communication, guys. Clear, everyone? Clear? Beautiful. Now, the next thing is automation, guys. All of you see here? All of you see here, guys? Automation. Now, DevOps also involves or revolves around automation. Very beautiful thing, guys. Now, guys, very honest, I'm telling, the childhood automations are all gone. Okay. In the last 2 months, I have cracked Adobe, Rubrik, Zeta, Simpress, Nest, Zoom. All these companies are asking next level of automations. Like 2016 to 2019, I have observed that the automations are baby automations. But from 2023, I am seeing that the automations are to the next level. So you need to understand next level automations. You need to understand that these automations are very, very powerful, very, very unique. You need to have, then only your resume should be selected. Clear, everyone? If you are keeping unique things in your resume, then only your resume will be selected. Yes or no, guys? All of you? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, if your resume is unique, then only you will be able to understand, right? Yes or no, everyone? Okay, great. Now, all of you see here, all the automations in this Prime Batch 5.0 are based on last 2 months, August, September, and October, whatever I have cleared, right? Interviews, and June, July, August. I was doing job search almost 4 months back in order to give you the interview questions, in order to know that what my students need in order to get their resume selected, right? All those things I will be sharing with you all. Clear? Now, assume that, guys, you are a fresher, but you know all the automations which basically we have done, right? How much powerful it is. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Now, all of you see here, continuous integration and continuous delivery. Very important. Now, the tool which I was talking here is Jenkins. Now, tomorrow you will see all the tools in depth, and we will install all the tools. I'll be sharing all tools documents to you. You don't need to worry or bang your head. Clear, everyone? Now, all of you see here, the continuous integration and continuous delivery, right? When you're talking like CICD, right? I wanted to tell you, it's basically you do something like I always tell, like in the next slides, you will see, I always tell the CICD, continuous integrate, means you continuously integrate something and continuously deploy something. Now, all of you are having phones in the class. Yes or no? All of you are having phones in the class. Yes or no? Yes. All of you are having phones in the class, right? Now, all of you open your phone and just tell me one app name which you are seeing on the phone. All of you. Now, can you tell me one app name? Instagram. Okay, beautiful. Zomato, GPay, Chrome, right? Now, guys, you need to understand. Yes, HeyDevops, obviously, right? Now, all of you need to understand this all apps are coming to your phone only because of DevOps engineers. Are you understanding the power of DevOps engineers? You are the people who are making it available to millions of people. Are you all agree or not? Guys, you are the people who are behind deploying the softwares, making sure that is up and running, high availability, high scaling, 24/7, 365 days to the users, like Big Billion Sale, Great Amazon Indian Sale, or any other sale. You are the people behind that. Clear, everyone? Yes? Great. Now, CICD is something which we will discuss as we go ahead. Now, feedback and monitoring, guys. Very important. Let's assume, guys, in your phone, you told many apps are there, right? This is your phone, right? In this phone, you have all the apps. Correct. Now you see, now you tell me one thing, guys. In this app, suppose when you are opening the app, it is automatically closing. What will you do? When you are opening the app, it is automatically closing again. And even though you have restarted your phone, it is not working. What will you do? All of you tell me. All of you tell me. Uninstall, reinstall, clear memory, reset. Okay. You did all the things. But some person is telling report a bug. You all know report a bug. Now, all of you need to understand, before our application is down, let's take it is not working mode. Okay, not working mode. Before that only, we need to understand what is this. Now, that is where I have brought you all this slide. All of you see this slide in the sense, in my class, what are you able to get? Okay, all of you see here. Please open your notebook and draw this line with me. All of you open your notebook and draw this with me. Guys, in today's class or in this 2 months, you will understand DevOps is not just learning tools. Okay. All of you need to understand it's not just learning tools, guys. No, DevOps is not just learning tools. Now you see the beautiful one by one, I will keep it. DevOps is all about your automations. Now in 2023, if you need to get a job, this is 2023 flow diagram. If you need to get a job, or 2024, okay, the flow diagram is like this. You need to know automations. You need to have leadership qualities. Leadership qualities, guys. Without that, no interviewer will take you. You need to know security, which you will see in the class. You need to know monitoring, which you will see in the class. You need to know the advanced projects, which you will know in the class. Okay. You need to know cloud, right? One cloud, which you will get in the class, AWS. You need to know, like all of you see here, you need to know various kinds of tools and their REST APIs. Now, I will be telling everyone in the class, the REST APIs are very much important. As we go ahead, you will see. Don't worry as of now. Okay. Right. All of you are making the flow diagram, guys. All of you. Yes. All of you are making notes. Great. Now you see automations, leadership qualities, security, monitoring, advanced projects, cloud, AWS tools, REST APIs concept we will use. And what else, guys? Can you add it one by one? Everyone, can you add anything? Are you thinking apart from this, what is DevOps? Can you add it? Communication skills? Communication skills? Yes. Programming skills? Obviously, Python. You are having Shell, you are having Groovy, right? Teamwork. Yes, definitely teamwork is required. You will see all those things in my class. Now, all of you are making this, all of you have made this diagram in your notebook. Yes. DevOps is not just tools. Those who are teaching tools, it means that is bad. DevOps is all about automation, leadership qualities, security, monitoring, advanced projects, REST API automations, your cloud, communication skills, Python, teamwork, cost optimization. Yes, obviously, this is one more thing. Saving cost. All of you note down in your notes. I will give 1 minute of time for you. All of you. Yes. Yes. Written. All of you have written in your notebook. Great. Yes. How can we miss this? How can we miss this, guys? All of you see here. Troubleshooting. You don't know? You don't want troubleshooting? You will learn everything, guys. Okay, everything in my class. Clear, everyone? Containerization and all those things will come under your tools. Where is that? Like DevOps is not just tools, right? Under tools only, this all things will come. Okay, all the tools you will see in this class. Like beyond this tools, you need to know all these things. Clear, everyone? Infrastructure, AWS, I have written, right? So don't worry about that. Okay, clear, everyone? And guys, one more thing, continuous learning and improvement. You need to make sure that you are always learning continuously and improving yourself for a better future, right? And you need to understand why I like DevOps, right? Why myself like DevOps? Because technology gets always changing. Technology gets always evolving or changing. Clear, everyone? In this rapid change of growth, you get new tools in the market, and that's where you have new learnings. Guys, all of you, correct? That is where it is important. All of you clear with the first slide, guys? Very basics we have talked. All of you clear with the first slide? Yes. Guys, all of you. Yes, environments, everything is important. Yes. Clear? Great. So let's move forward. Let's see what are the next things you have. Now, benefits of implementing DevOps in your organization. Very important. Like why we need to start with the things, why we need DevOps now. All of you see, after this class, if your organization is not following DevOps, you proudly can tell. And whatever automations we are going to learn in Prime Batch 5.0, all the automations you can tell to your manager, guys, proudly. And you can tell that, hey, why can't we implement? Why can't we implement, right, this particular automation? Correct? All of you clear? Whatever the automations you are learning, please go ahead and discuss with your manager proudly and tell them that, okay, let me fit this automation in particular place where I'm able to understand like what I need to do exactly. Clear, everyone? So guys, learning into real time, how this is happening when you are placing this real time opportunities into this. Clear, everyone? Guys, everyone, that is how your learnings are brought to practice. Okay. And with 5.0, you are getting everything what you are going to need. Clear, everyone? Right? Yes. Great. Now, all of you see benefits of implementing DevOps in your organization. Very, very simple. So guys, faster delivery to market. Now, you all are DevOps engineers. Let's assume that. Okay. Now you need to understand one more thing here. Very beautiful thing here. Now, all of you see here. What is that beautiful thing is, guys, have you seen something like this? Every application in your phone, there are some changes when there is a sale like Diwali sale, Big Billion sale, or your New Year sale. Every app changes its UI, like Swiggy also changes on New Year. How many of you agree? Guys, how many of you agree that always this apps changes their UIs or some kind of, they will put some new things, correct? Now, again, all the new changes which the users are taking care, which every time some changes are coming in, is basically DevOps are the people who are doing. Guys, are you understanding? DevOps are the people. DevOps engineers are the people who are doing all the changes. Clear, everyone? Yes, everyone. Right? Now you see what is the importance when we are implementing DevOps in a particular organization. Let me frame in this way, right? And I hope you all are writing notes also, right? Faster delivery time to market, guys. Suppose I want my new thing to be deployed. Let's take new UI, front-end changes into the server, okay? And I want to make sure all my 1 lakh users should get that New Year welcome page, Happy New Year message on the website. Let's think like this. This deployment, right? Faster delivery and time to market. DevOps are the people who are helping everyone to make sure they are ready for the market. They are ready with their content in the market. They can deliver it as much fast as they can. Improve quality. Guys, one more important thing. Suppose you are giving this new feature to the users. Now, guys, I will ask one straight thing. How many of you tell me one thing as a yes or no? You tell me. I will ask a question. All of you on your keyboard, fingers on your keyboard, just tell me yes or no. Guys, everyone, people on other platforms also, those who are watching me, all of you tell me one thing. Tell me one thing, guys, very one thing. Does Flipkart have 10 minutes delivery or not? Yes or no? Guys, all of you. Does Flipkart has 10 minutes delivery or not? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Everyone should type. Everyone in the class should type it, guys. Everyone in the class, you should tell me whether it has 10 minutes delivery or not. Okay. Now let's think that, okay, many of you are telling no. Okay. Now all of you see here, no, it doesn't have, guys, 10 minutes delivery. In groceries, it might have for few places. but no 10 minutes delivery. Okay. Now let's assume that I am telling to Flipkart that, hey, Flipkart, I need a 10 minutes delivery functionality. Clear, everyone? I need a 10 minutes delivery functionality in my app. Okay. As a user, I am telling. Now, what Flipkart will do? Flipkart will assign 2 developers for this particular functionality, right? And they will take what are the functionalities for 10 minutes delivery. What else we need, guys? We need user data. Yes or no, guys? Freshers, can you tell me what do you need? Just think. Suppose I want to deliver some product to the customer. What data I need? I need the user location, user data, products data. Now tell me, what are the data you need here? Location, beautiful. Now freshers, I want everyone to chat with me, guys. Experienced people will understand that, but freshers, if you are understanding, let me know. User data you need, distance, correct? Location, what else you need? Delivery partner, great. Who is this? Delivery partner details, beautiful, guys. Delivery partner details you need. What else? Product detail, beautiful. MRP of the product, everything you need, correct? Na? So tell me, are this all are new add-ons to the website or not? Whatever you told, are this new add-ons to the website or not? Yes or no? Yes, correct. Now, these new things have to be given to the users, those who are using phones. Right? Now, how you will do it? With the help of DevOps. And you should make sure your quality is not compromised. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear, everyone? Guys, everyone clear? Yes. Great, right? Awesome, right? Clear? Great, great, awesome. Now you need to understand enhanced collaboration and communication. We have discussed already. Now cost savings, guys, wonderfully explained here. Now, are you feeling good with this example, guys? Are you feeling good with this example? How many of you say, how many of you love with this example? Give me a smiley symbol or any other symbol you find in Zoom. You can chat with me. Yes, smiley symbol is there. See, smiley symbols are there in Zoom. Right? Yes, great. Right? And as you go ahead, this will be your project where we will deploy an application on cloud and we will check some data. Okay? Clear, everyone? Right. Beautiful. Now, all of you see here. Now, all of you tell me, right? Suppose you want to, you are thinking, all of you. Okay, now stop it. Okay, good. Your smileys are beautiful. Now, all of you see here. Suppose you want to make sure that this entire development, all of you see, guys, this entire, okay, I will take a beautiful color here. Let's go with blue. All of you see here, this entire development, I am spending 100 rupees. Guys, all of you see here, 100 rupees in total for everything. Infra, code developers payment, my project deployment, DevOps engineers, everything I'm spending 100 rupees. But guys, you need to understand, if the budget set to the project is 100 rupees, if it is going to 110 rupees, then what you need to do? What will happen, guys? Tell me. If your budget to the project is 100 rupees, but you are spending 110 rupees, what will happen? Layoffs? Layoffs over the budget? Cost cutting? Beautiful. Now tell me, what will happen? Recession? Cost cutting? Reduce the quality? Correct. But do you think that companies reduce the quality or remove the employees? Now I will ask you, companies will reduce the quality of the product, or companies will lay off the person? Can you tell me? What is that? Remove the employee? So guys, you need to understand, everyone, right? You need to understand one important thing. Layoffs are happening because of this reason only. Okay, you spend some budget rupees like 100 rupees, but because of some reason that is going to 110, 120 rupees, and people, what they do, they remove the people from the team who are not doing good, who don't have any knowledge. They target that kind of people. Manager target that kind of people, right? How many are you laid off recently? Can you just tell yes or no? How many of you have laid off recently? I lost job. Yes, you all are there. Sandeep, Badani, Teja. Yes, you all are here. I know the pain. I know the pain. That is why you all should understand real-time examples where you are getting so many new things. Now, good. Now, yes, lost internship FTE conversion. Yes, this is what is happening. Now, Good. Let's go to the next slide. Let's see like what is the big picture of DevOps. Now, all of you see here. Now, all of you see here, guys. All of you see here. When we are talking about DevOps, okay, when we are talking about DevOps, very much important, okay. Yes, people on YouTube, if you are facing any issues, just check. I have pinned one comment. You can get the data from there if anyone is interested. Now, all of you see here. So, guys, I told you, right? When I joined Walmart, how many of you know I am from Walmart? Okay, you want me to go to the previous slide? Okay. No, this slides, you will get it, guys. Don't worry. Okay. I will upload everything. You will have everything. You can take down notes and everything. Okay. How many of you know I am from Walmart? Yes, you all know. Right now, you need to understand that one thing here, straightforward thing. When I joined Walmart in 2019, okay, guys, very important thing. The projects are very much different. Okay. The interviewers were not having that much expectations, to be honest, but questions were really good. At that time, the toughness was there, but not that much tough as compared to 2023, where I have cracked Adobe, where I have cracked Rubrik, top product-based companies, Zeta, Zoom, Simpress, Ness, right? Your Gamescraft, right? And many more product-based companies, guys. Are you understanding? Very, very tough they have made, guys. Very tough. And in order to survive this toughest challenge, you need to understand in market, there are many tools, but among many, you need to select few. Is this correct or not? Is this correct or not? Among many, you need to select very handful of tools which will give you the next life. Correct एकदम बढ़िया झकास जो बोला मैं सही है ना सब लोग मतलब you are understanding what I have told. Yes. So today let's see few of the tools which can help you to change your life and what are you getting in the Prime Batch 5.0. Clear everyone? So all of you see here. All of you see here, there are many tools, right? So all of you see here, Git, I'm just taking the names, but as we go ahead, you will understand each tool's importance. GitLab, JFrog, NPM, Kubernetes, Docker, GitHub, SonarQube, let's understand that. Selenium, you will see. Nodejs, you will see. Sentry, I will tell you. App Dynamics, I will tell you. Okay, Splunk, I will tell you. Okay, Amazon Web Services, I will tell you. Jenkins, I will tell you. What are other tools? Okay, Microsoft Teams, in place of this, you will see here Slack. Okay, Slack, you will see chatbots here. Okay, and you will see other tools also. Ansible here. Yes, Ansible. You will see Terraform, which is not there in this place, right? And whatever is needed for you to get the job, guys. All the things are here. Whatever you need to get a job, everything. Kubernetes Helm, yes. Now tell me, okay, you tell me, I will put it here. Kubernetes is there. Yes, Kubernetes is there. Where is Helm? Ansible is there. Helm, they have not kept, right? Helm, it is not there. No? Here in this circle, it is not there. Okay. Helm also is there in our class. Chef is not there. We are learning Ansible. Jira, good. Jira is there. Shell scripting, Fortify is there. Yes. Docker is obviously there. I have circled it. Python is there. Yes. SonarQube. Yes. SonarQube is there. What else? Prometheus is there. Where is Prometheus, guys? Here. Prometheus. Okay. Here it is not there. Prometheus is there. Grafana is there. Beautiful. Right. So what I meant, right? Whatever you need to crack good opportunities, to crack jobs, everything is there in Prime Batch 5.0. Okay, that is what I wanted to tell you. Clear, everyone? Maven Gradle, yes, Maven is there. Jenkins is there. Everything, whatever you tell me, everything is there for you. As a fresher, guys, all of you see here. All of you see here. As a fresher, you need to learn all the 12 projects which I will be telling in the class and all the tools which we are discussing. All of you clear, freshers? All of you clear? Yes, database, MySQL we are seeing. Database is also there with us, right? Database is also there, MySQL. Clear everyone? Freshers, भाई लोग बहन लोग, ठीक है? आप लोग जो मैं बोल रहा हूं आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा है, राइट? यस, ठीक है। Clear? Great. Now, all of you see here, let's move to the next slide. Okay. Okay. All of you see here. Let's see the DevOps flow, guys. Okay. No, all of you see here, for freshers, for experience, whatever I tell, you need to spend on top of that daily 1 hour. Guys, it's for freshers and experience both. Okay. Now, 36 LPA, who will give you guys outside? If you, okay, I will ask you one question. All of you, just tell me yes or no. All of you, just tell me yes or no. Will 36 LPA will be given to a fresher or experienced? Tell me, fresher or experienced? Fresher or experienced? Experienced, okay. Experienced, okay. Now tell me, 13 LPA, will he can get for fresher or experienced? Can you tell me 13 LPA? What, 13 LPA freshers are not, experienced people are not there? Do you think that? 13 LPA is a very big deal, guys. Okay, getting 13 LPA for experienced people is very big deal. 2 years people, they target for 13 LPA. Freshers, those who are good. Now you need to understand, whatever content I'm going to deliver, all the things will be on real time, and it is targeting for both freshers and experience, because this is the first class. Here we are going to learn what is DevOps, the basics, everything, what you need to do. Clear? Knowledge is mattering. Clear? Now, all of you see here, very importantly, all of you see here. Now, all of you see here, guys. Now, I will tell you the DevOps flow. Okay. Now, all of you, for the next few minutes, okay, all of you, just don't type anything. All of you guys, for the next 1 minute, I want everyone to close your eyes and imagine yourself sitting in the train. Okay, all of you, close your eyes. Even the experienced people, fresher people, let's experience very new things in our class. All of you, close your eyes for the next 1 minute and think that you are sitting in Vande Bharat train. Okay, all of you, close your eyes, sit calmly, don't do anything, don't touch anything beyond your thing. Wherever you are sitting, just imagine yourself, you are sitting in Vande Bharat train. Okay, now the train has slowly started leaving its platform. Okay, immediately when it's left its platform, you started feeling that you are leaving behind your home, right? Now, when that feeling was there, you sat in the train and you started enjoying the atmosphere. Now, from the next compartment, there is a person coming towards you. Imagine yourself, that person is our Flipkart code, which we were designing the 10 minutes delivery. Okay, clear? That person is coming to you. That person is coming to you holding some snacks, some tray of snacks. He has chocolates, he has chips, he has Lays, and those components are your 10 minutes delivery. Each component, like you all told location, you all told delivery details, you all told product details, like that person is bringing you the tray, and each of the component is that features component. When he is coming towards you, right, you are the person who is going to select what are the things you need from that tray. Clear, everyone? Now, you selected some of the features. Okay, you selected some chocolates, you selected some biscuits, you selected something. Now, from that code, what are you going to do next? Let's see in the next phase. All of you, close your eyes. I don't want you all to open. Now, once you have selected your features from the tray, now you started coding sitting inside the train. You opened the laptop, you saw that, okay, chocolate is 10 rupees, and you saw that biscuit is like 1 kilometer distance. You saw all those things and you started coding as a DevOps engineer or a developer. In the coding, meanwhile, you observed that there are some challenges. Now you needed one person who can help you with that task. And that one person was just sitting beside you, who was a DevOps engineer. Now, you are very happy to know that this person is just beside you. You started coding and you immediately told to that person that, hey boss, hey friend, I have completed my coding. Will you be able to help me to deploy to this server? And here starts our train journey, guys. They both became good friends. That person and this developer became good friends. They started collaborating themselves. They started developing new tools among themselves. This 6 to 8 hours of journey to reach their destination. You see in each of the journey what is going to happen. Now all of you close your eyes. Very beautiful journey. They both started collaborating. They exchanged their ideas, and every station, each station, they were getting one new person onboarded to that compartment, guys. You all see the next compartment, one more friend of theirs got up on the train, and that person is called, let's assume that Jenkins. The next station, one more tool got up to the train, that is your SonarQube. The next station, one more person got into the train, that is your Maven. Now you need to understand the entire train. In each of the compartment, one person is sitting as a tool, and you are sitting as a developer and a DevOps engineer, and you are telling what has to be done in each of the tool. You are the primary person who is doing all these things. Are you understanding or not? Now, at the end of the journey, right, what you have done is, whatever the code you have done, you gave it to the DevOps engineer, your friend, and that DevOps engineer gave that code to each of the person. And finally, at the end of the destination, that packet, whatever the code in a packet, small packet, got delivered to the client successfully after the end of the journey of 6 hours. Now open your eyes and now tell me, how was the journey? How each of the tool came to you and took the help. You took the help from the tool, and finally you delivered the packet to the manager or to the client at the end of the 6 hours. Now, how was it? Are you understanding something amazing? Have you understood how you became friends, like how you interacted with them, and how you got other friends also onto your train, and you started integrating with themselves also, right? All of you understood, right? Like that's how we learn, right? Nothing to be mug up. Now you imagine like, okay, I'm sitting in a train. Now, whenever you sit in a train, you tell to this story to the interviewer. I enjoy doing DevOps works because I like to travel in train, and I always feel that Jenkins is like a train. Okay. Now you need to understand all the things which are coming out of brain should be dealt in this way to learn DevOps. Okay, clear everyone? Now you see, let's talk about here. Now all of you see that example, I will put it here. This is a developer. Okay, now this person who is running this entire thing is your DevOps. Now they both became friends. Yes or no, guys? All of you tell me, they both became friends or not? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, power is gone, but don't worry, you will be able to see me. The net will be there. Okay. Now, all of you see, DevOps and developer person became friends, right? And what I have told you, at each station, let's assume that this is station 1, S1. Okay. Station 2, S2. Station 3, S3. Station 4, S4. Station 5, S5. Station 6, S6. Station 7, S7. 8, 9, and this is 10, and you delivered the packet to the client. Are you understanding, guys? Now, each station, what I have told you, a new tool is getting up on the train. A new tool, like this is your train, and each of the compartment, a new tool is getting onboarded to the train. Tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, and these all tools you will learn in our class. Clear everyone, guys? All of you are understanding what we are going to learn? Yes, guys, beautiful. Now you see, you are going to learn GitHub, GitLab, SonarQube. You are going to learn Maven. You are going to learn Nexus. Now each compartment is a unique tool. Now you see source code, one tool where you store your code. All of you see where you store your code, one tool. Where you do the analysis on the code, one tool. Where you build the code. Now all of you see here, the 10 GB of code is converted into a small 10 MB. Now all of you open your phone. and tell me any one app size. Can you tell me any one app, the size in your phone? Can you tell me, guys? What is the one app size in your phone? Clear? What is the one app size in your phone? 200 MB? Okay, some people are telling 100 MB. Okay, let's assume that 75 to 100 MB. Okay, let's assume that. Okay, now tell me how this conversion happened is because of this guy Maven, guys. Okay, Maven is a tool which converts the 10 GB of code into MB of code, and it is helping your app to get deployed. Basically, all the things are there, but as of now, just understand that this conversion is happening with the Maven. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? Yes. Beautiful. Okay. Just, I will tell you more things, but try to understand on the chunks, like the 10 GB of code is converted into 100 MB or 75 MB, which is present in your phone, is because of your Maven. I will tell you, as of now, don't worry about what is Maven, what is Gradle, but whatever I tell, just understand. Okay. Now you see, guys, cloud infrastructure, Terraform is there, Ansible is there, Kubernetes is there, CloudWatch is there, CloudFormation is there, Amazon EC2 are there, right? And testing JMeter is there, right? Security we are using, right? And you are also seeing some things here. Monitoring, yes, definitely we are going to use Grafana and Prometheus. Clear, everyone? Guys, I will tell you, don't worry. We are just learning basics. As of now, just understand, this is your train. All of you, just see, this is your train. And in this train, each compartment is having one tool. Just imagine like that. And your friend who has given your code, the code is running everything from this entire panel. Clear, everyone? Right? Very simple. Very simple, right? Okay, now all of you see here, let's talk about Git, little bit Git. Okay, now all of you see here, very important one thing here. So I told you, right? Usually what we do, the GitHub, right? And guys, I will tell you tomorrow everything. Okay, don't do anything right now. Today, just watch the recording if you have any doubts. But tomorrow, join the class. Very important class because why important, guys? All of you tell me. Because all tools set up for this entire course we will do tomorrow. Clear, everyone? Very important. All the tools set up we will do. And guys, please change everyone's name. Those who are joining, please join with your name, guys. I see webinar user. All of you convert your webinar user name to your own name. Clear, everyone? Clear, guys? Okay, now all of you see here. Okay, great. Yeah, Aishwarya, yours I am seeing. Raghavan, yes, you are. Yes. Okay, HeyDevops app, how much size, guys? HeyDevops app, someone is telling like 78.6 and we are using Maven only. Okay, and whatever the architecture our app is right now, I will be telling that also going forward. Okay? Clear, everyone? Yes. Okay, great. Okay, all of you see here. Now, the GitHub. The GitHub is a place where you store your code. Okay, store code. All of you? Yes, from next week, all the code which are stored will be stored in our GitHub. Clear, everyone? Right? Yes, everything we will completely cover in 2 months. It's a job ready course, very, very job ready course. I'm telling 100% job ready course. No one will just put a title or tell things, right? Getting right 36 LPA students are getting, and students are commenting on the LinkedIn posts. You just go and see. Even though I don't keep the names, they believe me and they only come and tell that, hey sir, this is me only, right? I never put students' name, right? Usually I don't put, but yeah, sometimes they say like, okay sir, please put the name, then only I will put. Okay, now all of you see here. Now all the code from the GitHub which we are going to see. Yes, resume. I will share my resume to everyone. I will share the templates. Guys, all of you see resume. templates, everything I will share at the end of the course. Like by December, second week, you will be seeing all these things, right? Clear everyone? And my last 2 months interview questions also. Okay, clear everyone? And my Walmart interview questions. So here 2 phases of interview questions will be there. Phase 1, which I have cleared in 2019. Okay. And phase 2, which I have cleared in last 2 months. Yes, class video will be there. Right? All of you see here. Now, all of you see here. Come back to this. Now, GitHub is a tool which will store the code. Clear everyone? Which will store the code. Clear everyone? Right? GitHub is a tool which will store the code. Very simple. Guys, very simple, right? Now you need to understand, when you are storing your code in GitHub, there is always one thing, guys. Let me tell you, in our class, we will have 2 types of servers. One is local server. All of you see here, local server. And the other is central or remote server. Okay, guys, clear? One is local server, one is central server. Are you understanding? Now, what is local server? So whenever I tell a server, I will mean by it like laptop. Now, how many of you have joined via laptop? All of you. Most of you have joined via laptop, right? Yes. Yes. Many of you have joined via laptop, right? Now, what I would like to tell is, in this laptop, you assume like it is a server, okay? Linux server or whatever the servers we will see. But when I am telling a local server, it literally means laptop. And when I'm telling central server, it means literally means internet. It is available on internet. Clear everyone with these things? Are you writing what I'm telling? Guys, are you writing what I'm telling? Write it. This one you write it. Local server in our Prime Batch 5.0 is laptop. Okay. And central server is basically internet. It is present in the internet. Okay. Can I remove this screen? Yes. Can I remove this? Yes. Great. Okay. Let me clear the screen. Clear all drawing. Now, all of you see, guys, the GitHub is central server, CS. And there is one more software, Git. Yes, is basically your basic software or basic tool, which will help like your local server and a central server. And they both will talk. I will show you everything to interact with the code, to pull the code, to push the code, everything. Clear everyone? Like this is your local server and this is your central server. In laptop, you install Git. Clear? Clear? In laptop, you install Git. Clear everyone, guys? In laptop, you install Git. And this is a software by GitHub as an organization. GitHub, okay? Owned by Microsoft. Clear everyone? Right? And whatever you do the coding in local, guys, whatever you do the coding in local or write the script, everything is pushed to the central. Push. There is 2 mechanisms, push and pull. So nothing like push is something from laptop, you are sending it to the central server internet. Pull is something from the internet, you are getting it to the system. Clear everyone with these 2 commands? And these are like Git commands. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you. In DevOps, all of you write down in your notes, guys. Open source, guys. Everything is open source. When Praveen is talking something, I will tell if it is open source or not. Now, all of you see here. Guys, all of you see here. All of you see here, guys. DevOps tools, all of you write down in your notes, are formed with 2 components. All of you write down in your notes. Can you tell me what are those 2 components? Now, experienced people, can you tell me what are the 2 important components of DevOps tools? Can you tell me? Experienced people. Okay, one is commands, guys, and one are configurations. Okay, without these 2, configuration. Okay, without these 2, nothing is important. Yes. Clear everyone? Yes, Vijender, that's fine. You get the recordings. Yes. Clear everyone? The commands and the configurations are important for every DevOps tools. Clear? And that is where next few tools are lined up for you. Okay, have you written this in the page, in the notebook? Please write it down. Are you clear? Have you written, everyone? Yes, no? Clear? Okay, great. Great. Okay, now all of you see here? Yes, great. Now I will clear the screen, right? Now all of you see here the next tools. In Git, right, there are various kinds of commands. All of you need to understand when we are talking about Git, okay? When we are talking about Git, what I have told you, Git is a software, yes, or tool. And every DevOps tool has two things. One is commands and other one is what? Configuration. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? One is command, one is configuration. Yes, very simple, right? Yes, one is command, one is configuration. Okay. And guys, all of you understand we are using distributed systems. Okay. Distributed. I will tell you what does this mean. All of you. Now, tell me one thing. I have my GitHub repository. Okay. I have my GitHub repository. Like this owner is me. And guys, one question. You all are from different parts of the country. Let's assume that. Don't write now. Where are you from? I will ask this question at the end. But tell me one thing. When you are looking at various kinds of areas, like let's say someone is from India, someone is from USA, someone is from Germany, someone is from Canada, right? Now, you need to understand how this code is coming to your laptop. You use Git software and you pull the code or you write some commands. With the help of that, it comes to your laptop, right? Now, this is called distributed. Okay, distributed means you have your code at one place, but you distribute to various locations. Correct, na? Yes or no? Deploying in multiple servers. To be honest, that is simple. Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, everyone? Great. Great, right? Now, all of you see here, there are some commands, very basic commands, which we will see. Now, there are some, and one more thing, guys, whenever you are working on DevOps, you need to understand, we are calling every tool with the tool name itself. Like whenever you write some command, you are calling that command with the tool name. Like suppose Docker is there, you call with Docker. Suppose Kubernetes is there, you call with kubectl. Suppose some other command is there, you call with that command name only, that tool name, right? Now you see, there are some things. Now everything is with development only, guys. Whatever I am telling here in this class, all the things are based on development only, right? Because in today's generation, on this end, there is a developer and on this end, there is a DevOps engineer and they both are good friends. Then only it will work. Yes. Yes, guys, right? And they both are integrated together and they both are friends, right? And whenever the developer sends some data to DevOps engineer, he starts with the first tool is Git. Okay. So now you need to understand, suppose developer gives some data. Now Git is something which will help you to download your code from central server to local server. This we have seen, right? Correct. From central, it will come to local. Suppose, guys, what I have told you, all DevOps tools needs configuration. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? All DevOps tools needs configuration. This is what our statement is, simple statement, right? Now think like this. Being a DevOps engineer, you changed one of the file. Okay, correct? You changed one file here. Okay, clear? That file, you added something like this, hash. Okay, like this. One line, one file, you changed hash. Okay. Now, this Git is a tool which will help you to pull the code and push the code, right? So step one was what? You pulled the code, correct? You pulled the code. Yes or no, guys? Then you did some changes. Step one, you pulled the code. With which command? Git pull. Okay, I will clear the screen so that you better understand. What is the first command you use? Git pull. With this, what you have done? You have downloaded the code. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Now, what is the next thing? You write git status. I will show you the hands-on also. Just 1 second. Git status you write. Okay. With this git status, what you will do? Okay. With this git status, once you have changed the code, yes, git clone. Yeah, I will tell you. Wait. Now, all of you see here? Okay, so we directly went into git pull. So let's start with git clone. Okay, now the first command, you clone the code, okay, which is present in the central server to the local server. Okay, step one, I will tell you. Okay, git clone. Okay, so let me show you hands-on only. Just 1 minute, I will show you little bit of hands-on things. Okay, all of you see here. Let me show you so that this explanation will be very much easy for you. Okay. Okay, all of you see here. What is this, guys? All of you see here. What is this tool? Guys, all of you see here. What is this tool? Guys, GitHub is a software, okay? Enterprise application software. And I will take this code, all of you see here. And what I will do, I will clone the code. When you are seeing here, this I will show you tomorrow. Don't worry, guys. This is just for your understanding. I will clone the code. Now, the first command is I will go here. I will open the terminal for everyone, like see. Okay. Okay, clear. I will clear the screen. I will make the screen a little bit big. Control plus plus plus. Okay, all of you see here. I will go to documents. DOCU. I will make a directory. Okay, these all things are Linux commands, which I will tell you. Demo 5. Okay, CD demo 5. And all of you see here now. All of your eyes on the screen for the next 1 minute. Yes, there is a break. After this hands-on, I will give you a break. Okay. All of you see here. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. All of you see here. The first command which I'm going to use is git clone and the URL. Okay. So what I have told you, the central data will be coming onto your here. Now, all of you see here, when I'm listing anything, are you seeing any folder here? No, right? You are not seeing any folder, right? So let's do one thing, git clone. All of you see here. Now, are you seeing any folder here, guys? Yes. The central data came to our laptop. Yes. Okay. Shall we go into the code? CD change directory. Okay. CD is, all of you write down. CD is change directory. LS is list. LS is list. mkdir is make directory. You want me to write? Anyone want me to write on the screen? Yes. Anyone? Okay. All of you see here. mkdir is make directory. These all are Linux commands. All of you write down. ls is list. It will show you the list of folders present, files present. And git clone the code from central to local. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? Clear, everyone? Yes. Freshers, are you feeling good with what we are learning? Yes. Yes. Great. Okay. Now, all of you see here, what is our main task here? Right? What is our main task? Can I clear the screen? All the difference we will see, but as of now, whatever we are talking, just assume that you are there. Okay. Now, all of you see here? Yes. All of you see here? Now, CD Java app 3.0. I will clear the screen. Okay. Now, what I have told you, being a DevOps engineer, I want to add one configuration file. Yes or no? I told you all right. So let me add one configuration file. Okay. Okay. Now what I will do, let's think like this. I will go into this folder. Okay. Documents. Okay. Where is that demo 5? Yes. This project. And let's add a new, okay. Let's add, okay. Let's add new folder only. Okay. Demo. Okay. In this folder, there is a file. Let's assume that there is a file called this one. Okay. Are you clear? So what are the two changes I have done, guys? I have created a folder, demo, and added a file. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Correct? Folder and a file. Now, all of you see here, when I say git status, okay, all of you see here, what it is telling, you have added a folder. Okay, whatever the red you are seeing, you forget about this, don't bother about it. But whatever new you have added, the git status will show you whatever the new things you have added, it will show you that. Clear, everyone? Yes? Yes? Now, all of you see here, one more thing. Now, there is one command, git add. Okay, when you say git add, it means the local, this is local server, na? I told you, right? This entire things is running in laptop, and this is my local server. Yes or no? And installation, I will tell you tomorrow, the git installation and everything. Okay. Just as of now, just try to see when you do git add dot, all of you see here, this is a command which you will add the changes in the local server. Okay. Let me write it down. Yes. Add changes to local server. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? Yes. Yes. Great. Okay. Now, all of you see here. All of you see here, I am doing git add. Now, once I do git status, are you seeing it turned into red? Okay. Dot is for adding all the things. Okay. Whatever there is in red, everything you added. Okay. Clear? Now you see the red has converted into green. Yes? Yes or no? After you gave the red thing, it converted into green. Yes or no? Correct? Yes. Uday, I will tell you tomorrow, but as of now, just see what I am doing. Don't worry about how this code came and everything. We used one good command, right? Linux. This is basically a terminal, Linux terminal. Guys, I just want you to understand what is this commands. Tomorrow we are going to see anyways tools installation. There we will learn all the things. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Bhai log, behan log, theek hai? Now, are you seeing the changes which I have done was in red, but after I added to the local server, it became green. Yes or no? Yes. Clear till here? Now, what are the commands we have seen? I will tell you all that also. Now, all of you see here, there is one more command, git commit. Okay, all of you see here, git commit -m, you say changes added as demo folder. Now, what does this mean? All of you see here, it means that we are committing the changes. Okay, we are committing the changes. Right? Whatever the changes we have added to the local server, okay, we are committing those changes. Okay, commit means we are pushing it to the local server. Okay, pushing permanently. Clear? Permanently. Okay, in general terms. Okay, shall I hit enter to this command, guys? Everyone? Yes, shall I hit? Okay, now you see what is the data it is telling. 2 files changed. Yes or no? 2 files got changed. Yes or no? Yes, 2 files changed, and those 2 files are what? This. Let's assume that. Okay, now one last important thing. Let me show you my repository and you will be amazed to see. Now, are you seeing any demo in the central server? Any demo folder in the central server? Can you tell me? Are you seeing any demo folder in the central server? Yes or no? All of you guys, those who are students, experience anyways, I know you will be able to handle. No, right? Now you see. Now you see git push. This is one more command where you push the data from the local server laptop to the central server. All of you see here. Okay, username it is asking. What is my username here? Praveen 1994. Okay, now all of you need to understand there is some authentication issue which I will be fixing. Why it is coming, I will tell you. Because I am pushing my changes to this HeyDevops org. Okay, this HeyDevops org. Yeah, I have not configured all these things. I don't want to show you all these things right now because this is the first class. But all of you have understood, right? What are the commands we have used? Let me do a history of that commands and let me share you all in this. Okay, so all of you see here, all of you, I am giving the history of the commands. Please save it if anyone wants to do right later, like you want to check. All of you see, I have given the data. Are you able to see, guys? Have you got it? Okay, got it. Great. Now all of you see it. Some people are asking why we have not used git command, git init. Okay. Now git init is something where you are initializing a .git folder. Okay, so let's assume that you are creating mkdir demo 6. Okay, and I'm going to cd demo 6. Okay, cd demo 6. Clear? Now tell me, when I'm doing ls-lrta, what are you seeing? Total 0. Yes, are you seeing total 0? Are you seeing anywhere .git folder here? No. Yes or no? No. Yes or no, guys? You are not seeing .git folder, right? Now, when I say git init, you need to understand there will be one folder created .git. So .git is nothing but you initialize a git folder, LSR. This is basically list in reverse order, everything, all, right? List in reverse, everything, all. No, all of us here, difference. LS, okay, LS is not showing dot folders. Dot in Linux is hidden. Okay, dot in Linux is hidden. Okay, hidden files. Now you see ls is not showing dot hidden folders, but when I say ls-lrta, it's showing all the folders. Clear, everyone? List of files. Yes. Any queries till now, guys? Are you good? Are you good, everyone? Yes, .git we will see next. But are you clear with the understanding what we have seen till now? Yes. I have given the commands also. I will put again. Please copy paste this command and just try in your system also. Just see. Okay. Pull the things. ls-lrta, list all. Okay. List all in reverse order. List all. Unable to copy. Guys, are you able to copy the commands? Unable to copy? No? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Not able to copy? I copied. Okay, some people are okay. That's fine. Okay, don't worry. All of you have written the commands. Okay, I will give you the history now. All of you write down here. Guys, all of you write down git status, git commit, git push, mkdir, ls-lrta, git init, All of you write it down. Have you written, everyone? Okay. Central server, which is in internet, okay, which is available for all the people. Local is your laptop, which is available to you only. All of you see here, someone is asking one question. Central server available to all over the world. Yes. Local server available to you only. Clear, everyone? Yes. Yes. Okay, GitHub and GitLab are same. Okay. Now, let me take some queries and then we will take a break. Okay. Clear. Now, all of you put your queries. Let's take some queries. Copy commands. That's why I told you, right? You need to write it. Write down these commands. Whatever you are seeing, write down. Yes. See, this is very basics class. We will not go very advanced in first class, right? If you are an experienced person, I want you to stick with the whatever the data is there, right? These all are basics, we know. Please paste in the chat is basically, yes, I will be doing. I'll be doing tomorrow, right? Don't worry. Okay. Can I configure all of this tomorrow in my office laptop? No, office laptop we will not do. In Linux system we will do. I will tell you. Okay. Can you please explain Git init once? Okay, beautiful. Why not? All of you see here. When you are talking about Git init, okay, what it will do is it will create a .git folder or .git repository in local server. Okay. When you say git clone, it will bring the .git folder from central server to local server. Okay. Basically, the .git folder is very much important for any folder. Okay, guys, tell me. Here, I will tell you a small example. With that, you will be able to understand. All of you tell me one thing. Okay. Now, all of you tell me, is it a Git folder or not? Okay, tell me one thing like this. We will go back. Okay. What is this? Okay. So all of you tell me, this is an empty folder, right? All of you see here, this is an empty folder, right? Now tell me, is it a Git folder or not? It is an empty folder now. No, right? Because you are not seeing any .git repository or files. But when I go here, GitHub repo, and let's take like file permissions, I need to change it. Let's see. I'm very much new to this Mac. Anyone knows like how we can show like everything here? But yeah, I can take you towards this. Which folder is this? CD test GitHub repo. Okay, I will show you like this here in the terminal. All of you see here. CD test. CD test, CD GitHub repo. Now you see ls-lrta. Okay. ls. Okay, this I think is not there. Let's take some other repository. CD ..cd Kubernetes. All of you see here ls-lrta. Now all of you see, is this a Git folder or not, guys? Is this a Git folder? Git folder is like your server now. Okay, it consists of all the data, whatever is there in the central repository. Okay, very simple as that. Okay, now all of you. Okay, before we go ahead, I would like to give you all a 5 minutes break. Okay, time is 9:50. Come back by 11:50. Okay. Okay, clear everyone? 10:50. Oh, okay, 10:55. Sorry, 10:55. Okay, time is now 10:50. Please come back by 10:55. Okay, 5 minutes break. Don't go anywhere. Just have a fresh, have your tea, coffee, whatever you need. And after this, we will see some more things. Okay. And then I will talk with you all. Clear, everyone? Come back. I will put like 10 minutes or 5 minutes break here, right? I hope you are noting down everything, right? And don't leave. We have exciting things for you, like the roadmap for the next few weeks, what you need to do, everything we will discuss, right? 5 minutes break. Okay. Till 10:55. Okay. AM. Okay. Come back. We'll start with the class. Okay. Clear, everyone? Right. Okay, back everyone, all of you. Okay, everyone back, right? Okay, let's start the class. I will screen share for everyone. Okay. Okay, great. So I know, guys, job market is tough. You all are saying like jobs are really difficult, right? Everything is there. But yeah, what I would like to tell you is like for the next 2 months, right? New year. No, no, my screen is not frozen. Who is that? No, no, recordings you are getting. No issues. Recordings will be there. Please drop and join back. No issues. Okay. Tough year. Yes. Okay. Now all of you see here. Let's start the class. Okay. We will talk with again one-to-one with everyone. Okay. I'll screen share. Okay. Let's start with Linux. Okay. Git you have seen. Now all of you see here. We will talk about basics of Linux and why this Linux is important, because every backbone of the class, which is like going ahead, right, will be based on Linux only. Clear, everyone? Right? Yes. Clear, everyone, right? Okay, great. So let's start like what is Linux, why you need Linux and all those things, and rest we will see one by one. Okay, all of you see here. Now, whatever I told you, right? All of you see here, whatever I told you, basically Linux, okay? How many of you are having Windows laptop? Okay, how many of you are having Mac laptop? So all of you just say Windows means W, Mac means M, and Linux means L. Now, how many of you are with different kinds of laptop? Tell me. Okay, Windows, little bit Mac here and there. Okay, so all of you are using Windows only, right? So all of you see here, when we are going to deploy, all of you see the Flipkart 10 minutes delivery, which we have discussed. Clear, everyone? The Flipkart 10 minutes delivery, everything is going to be deployed on Linux only. Okay. Ultimately, the data which is coming to your phone is coming from a server. Clear, everyone? The server can be Linux or any other, CentOS. These are flavors. Fedora. All of you write down flavors of Linux. Have you written, everyone? Right? Ubuntu, yes. Red Hat, yes. Okay. Are you understanding? Whatever the application that is coming to your phone is based on this flavors. Yes or no? Guys, everyone? Right? Guys, yes? Okay, great. Okay. Now all of you see here. All of you see here. In Linux, one of the important question that every interviewer will ask is basically the file structure, right? File structure, folder structure. Now in Linux, right, the usual folder structure will be like this: root folder, dev folder, boot folder, user folder, var folder, etc, home, opt, media, mount, proc, bin, library. In this files, I will clear the screen. I will tell you what important things you need to remember is bin folder, lib, library folder, proc, process folder, opt, application deployment folder. Okay. Okay. And boot. Okay, boot is fine. Boot is basically bootable files will be here. Okay. And user data, root user data. Okay. And etc, all software data. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one what each components is doing. All of you see here on the screen. Guys, the root folder is the home directory for root user. Now, root means someone in Linux who has the full access. Clear? Who has the full access, who has all the control for that system. Now, you all told me you have Windows laptop. You all told me you have Mac laptop. Correct? Na? In the Windows and Mac laptop, what? You are the owner. Correct? You are the primary owner. Guys, correct? Yes, you are the primary owner, right? Now, understand this thing when you are checking some things, right? When you are talking about some things, you are the owner for everything. Similarly, Linux has an owner called /root. Now, all of you see, the git, rebase, git, all those are advanced commands. We will not discuss in the first itself, right? You know, you might be experienced person, but freshers are there. If we start with all those things, they will get confused. Like this is like bridge ना यार, slowly चलते हैं क्या मतलब इतना जल्दी जाके क्या फायदा है, right? Slowly, bridge by bridge, we will go, right? Why we want to jump everything? But yeah, you are going to get a slide where you are getting all the commands. Okay, git rebase, git merge, every slide I have added. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now, all of you see here, the root is basically the root folder of user. Okay, this is the root folder for user, root. Okay, root is the admin. Okay, let's think like this. Root is the admin. Okay, all of you see here. Root user is admin in Linux. Clear, everyone? Guys, are you clear? Root user is the admin in Linux. Yes or no? Guys, yes? Correct? Right. Great. Now, are you clear with the root user, root folder? All the user details, root user details will be under the root folder. Now, all of you see here, the dev, all of you remember, guys, by heart it if you are not remembering. The /dev folder. Now, you all have Windows laptop. The Windows disks are divided into C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. Yes or no? Correct? Guys, hai hai na? Sahi hai na? But in Linux, the drives are divided as like this. Dev. The name dev/SDA. Dev/SDB. I will show you the hands-on also in Red Hat Linux System Administration, where you will understand that these disks are very helpful and important for you. Let's consider this is similar to your C drive. This is similar to your D drive. And if you have dev/ maybe you can say SDE, you can consider like E drive in Windows. Yes, clear? Yes, you can take printouts and add it to the notes. No issues. Yes. Okay, clear, everyone? Right? Now, let's see some more things. Okay. Now, all of you see here, guys, when I am in organization, okay, all of you see here, all the logs of the application are sent to this directory, the var directory. Okay. The var is a directory in Linux where you will send all the application logs. Clear? Like you designed the Flipkart. Okay. Flipkart app 10 minutes delivery. All the application logs will be sent to here. Clear, everyone? Real time. Real time, I am telling. Okay. Clear? Now, all of you see here, the /om is a directory where folders are located, right? Like all of you remember, right? In the Windows, you have documents folder, downloads folder, music folder, public folder. So similar to that, there is a /home folder, which is the home folder for the root user. Okay. All of you see here, the etc, all of you see, very important. The etc is the configurations folder. Now, whatever software you install in the Linux, okay, all the configurations will be saved under etc. Are you writing everything? If you are not writing also, that's fine because everything is here only. Clear, everyone? Guys, are you clear what I am telling? Yes? Clear? Yes, /home is not default. /home is only for the user. Suppose you are creating a user Praveen in the Linux. Praveen will have its own home folder. Config files, I told you, na, DevOps comes with what? Two things, right? DevOps comes with two things. One is commands, one is configuration. So let's think like this. You are installing some files. all the software related configurations will be saved here. Guys, one of the important folder OPT. Okay, guys, all of us here, one of the important folder OPT, very important. This folder is used in our, yes, you are getting the soft copy of this slides. Yes, why are you worrying, guys? When you have joined Prime batch, you are getting everything what you are seeing. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now all of us here, the /opt, okay, is a folder where your, yes, your recording also is available, Prabhat. Okay, the /opt is a folder where you get, yes, all of you see. No, not those soft copies are different, guys. Those soft copies are different. This soft copy is different. Okay, okay, that soft copy is for preparation. Okay, now all of you see here, the /opt is a folder, okay, which will help you in deploying jars or applications. Okay, deploying applications, very important in our organization. We use this folder to deploy, let's think like jars, applications. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Correct? Yes. Are you all clear with this? Ekdam badhiya, jhakkas. Okay. Now I will talk about one more important folder, the proc folder. Now I will ask you all one question, guys. Just listen to me. Okay. One question to everyone. Guys, when you are logging into your Windows laptop, do you get how much time your screen time is? Or in the phone, when you are watching, do you get something like screen time, screen on time? Do you know this? Yes. Do you know this? And do you also get, when you are going to the cache of the phone, do you also get like 1.3 GB of cached files, something like this? You get in app? Correct? You all get it? Yes. Now the beauty is here, the proc folder in Linux, proc is nothing but process, CPU, memory, utilizations, everything will be under the proc folder. Process, the CPU, the memory, the total number of processes running in the system, all things will be under the proc folder. Clear, everyone? Yes? Yes or no? I want everyone yes. Okay, people, those who are watching on live, I want everyone yes to be given to me. Clear? Yes, great. Okay, clear? Great. OPT. OPT is for applications deployment. Jar war. Jar is nothing but the output of the 100 GB folder to the 10 MB is basically jar. Clear, everyone? Right? This is as simple as that. Okay. Proc, in the proc folder, you have CPU utilization, memory utilization, very important. Okay. For any application to run, you need CPU and memory, right? For your phone to run, do you need CPU or memory? How many of you say, I don't need CPU and memory, I can run my phone? नहीं होता ना ऐसे. You need CPU and memory. Yes, guys, है ना? ठीक है, बढ़िया. समझ में आया यहाँ तक? चलो. Great. Now, all of you see here, in Linux, usually what happens, let me show you. In Linux, I will clear the screen here. Okay. Now, okay, all of you see here, VIM. Okay. Now, you want to play with files. Okay. In Linux, play with files. Okay. Play with files in the sense, you have to open the file, you have to close the file, you have to make changes in the file. Then these are the commands. Clear, everyone? In Windows, how you do? You double click, text pad gets open, text file, you do the changes and you Control S save it, right? So similarly, for opening the file, what you have to do, for closing the file, what you have to do, to make changes, what you have to do, I will be telling. Clear, everyone? Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Yes or no? Can you tell me, everyone? Is it correct or not? Okay. In Windows, what you do? You open the file, you do the changes and you close the file, right? Yes or no? Okay, great. Now all of you see here, vim is a command to open a file in Linux. All of you see here, vim is a command like editor. Okay, vim is a command which is to open or create a file. Let's take, I want to write demo batch5. Okay, all of you see what will happen when I say enter. In our class, we will be using vim. Okay, all of you see here, vim, the soap, the vim soap where you clean the utensils. The vim, the file name will open the screen like this. All of you see, will open the screen like this. Now, opening, you all understood vim. I will write it here for your understanding. Okay. Okay, I will clear the screen first of all and then write again. Okay. To open a file, you write vim file name. Clear? Now, second, to edit the file, all of you see here, what is the command? You type shift plus I, insert. All of you write down in your notebook, shift plus I, shift and I. You see what will happen? All of your eyes on the screen, guys. All of your eyes on the screen. Now, what is here at the bottom? What is here at the bottom, guys? All of you see here, what is here at the bottom? What is here at the bottom? Demo file name, right? Now, when I say shift I, did it change to insert? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, correct. Yes. Now, all of you see, once you say shift I, you write something on top. All of you see here, hi, hello, this is Praveen here from 5.0. You write something and to close the file, okay, you saw to edit the file, shift plus I. You see here, to close the file, okay, you type the command :wq exclamatory. Okay, you write, okay, I will tell you. Okay, 1 second. Okay, all of you see here, on the down it got changed, right? Escape plus :wq exclamatory. Okay, to close the file. Clear, everyone? So you see the name got changed from insert to this one. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Correct. Now let's see. Okay, let's close the file. Now all of you see here. Yes, I have saved it also. Don't need to save. Now all of you see here, cat. ये बिल्ली जो है, बिल्ली, cat. When you type cat, it will help you to read the file. You see, hi, hello. This is Praveen from 5.0. Okay, you all understood? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Clear, everyone? Right? What we are trying to do? Yes. Great. Okay. So cat is for reading. VIM is for opening and doing all the things. Clear, everyone? Right. Now let's go ahead. All of you, VIM, you are clear. Right now, one of the good things here in Linux, let me show you. Okay. All of you see here. Okay. All of you see here. Now, all of you see here in any Linux system. Okay. In any Linux system, there are three people. Okay. All of you see here, user people, the group people, and all people. User, group, all. Clear? All means others. Clear, everyone? In Linux system, there are three people: user, group, others, or all. Clear? Clear, everyone? Now, all of you see here. See, guys, this is what I wanted to tell. User, group, others, or all. Clear? Now, all of you see here, for any file, okay, for any file or folder or any data in the Linux system comes up with this permission. Clear, everyone? What is the permission you have? R for read, W for write, X for execute, and dash for no permission. Clear, everyone? Clear, guys? Yes. Now I will repeat again. R for read, W for write, X for execute, and dash for no permission. And there is one more thing, D for folder. Okay, write it down. R for read, W for write, X for execute, dash for no permission, and D for folder. Let me show you how this works. All of you see here, ls-lrta. Now, all of you see here, what is this permission having? This Java app 3.0 folder. Can you all write it? All of you, can you write in the chat? All of you write in the chat, drwx, right? Dash, okay, dash xr. This is the permission, right? This is the D for directory. All of you see here, I will write it for you. Okay, all of you see here, D for directory. You all know that this particular folder is directory. R for read, W for write, X for execute, right? Here, Rx, R-X. It means, I will tell you, read and execute. Okay. And the last one is also having this. Now you need to understand there are three components here. All of you see here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. I will write it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Clear, everyone? Okay, all of you see here, this is for user, this is for group permission, and this is for others permission. Clear? Now you tell me, for user, what are the permissions? Read and write, correct? UGO, UFO, like that, UGO, correct? Now user, owner, basically user has what permission? Read, write. Group has what permission? Read. And others are also having read permission. Yes or no? Very simple, right? Now you understood? These three are divided, okay? 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So total 9. Okay, let's see. Dash means no permission. Dash means, if you see dash, it means no permission. Clear, everyone? Okay, all of you see here, that is what we are trying to tell here. RWX dash means no permission. Clear, everyone? Yes. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. All of you clear, right? Guys, any question? In the first one, no execute permissions, right? Yes. In the first one, no execute permission. Okay. Clear, everyone? Freshers, any questions here? No questions? Plus, where did you saw plus? Where is plus here? Did you saw anywhere plus? Okay, plus. What does the last symbol? Where is plus? Plus, 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 plus. Kahan hai? What does the symbol represent in the last plus and at? Acha, this one. There is no plus here. It is just like in Mac, this at is. Don't worry about this. Okay. In this system, it is just like this. Don't worry about this. You need to only concentrate about this. Whatever I told you. Okay. Clear? Yes. All of you see here. Now, all of you see here. Similarly, you had here RWX. Okay. You have here RWX. Right? All of you. All of you have your here RWX, right? Now, I would like to tell you, when you are reading, when you are writing, when you are executing, same way in the RWX, you have numbering also. Now, all of you see here. How does this numbering will help? All of you see here, absolute numeric number values you can give it. Okay, so let me clear the screen. All of you see here, what was the symbol there for no permission? Now, all of you tell me, what was the symbol there for no permission, guys? Dash. So dash is represented in number what? 0. X is represented by 1. W is represented by 2. Right? And R, where is R is represented by 4. Now, suppose I want to write RWX for a user. What is the total value? R is what? Representing 4. W is what? 2. And X is what? 1. So total is what, guys? 4 plus 2 plus 1? 7. Yes or no? So you see 7 stands for R plus W plus execute. 4 stands for read. And 6 stands for read and write. Correct? Clear, everyone? Yes? Clear? Now, all of you see here, I will show you a little bit hands-on also here. Now, okay, all of you see here the demo batch 5 file which we have created. What is the permission it is having? RW. Okay, RR. Correct. Now, I want to make it something like chmod 777 demo batch 5. Now, what does 777 means, guys? What does 777 means? 7 means RWX, RWX, RWX. Correct? Yes. So let's see what are the values getting changed from here to there. Okay. Now, all of you see, did it got changed, guys? RWX full permission we are giving. Yes. Yes. Clear? So that is what the importance of your permissions are there. Now, all of you see here, little bit AWS topics we will touch, right? Now, all of you see here, AWS is one of the beautiful components, right? Which are very important for everyone to know, right? In AWS, the various components which you will see are present here. Yes, groups, I will tell you, groups are nothing but, suppose I am a DevOps engineer. Okay. Similarly, I have 10 people in the team. Okay. So what does 10 people in a team will do? They all are DevOps engineers. So I will add them into a DevOps group. Correct. And I will give them a permission, right? So what does, Praveen sir, can you please tell difference between execute and write? Okay. Execute is nothing but you can run the file. Run the file. Write means you can edit the file. Correct? Clear, everyone? Right? Run means E means, right? Or execute means run the file. You have the permission to run the file. Here, you only have the permission to edit the file, but no permission to run the file. Now, all of you see here, AWS is spreaded all over how many regions, guys? All of you see here. AWS fundamentals we are talking. No, guys, all of you see here. This session is touch base on various components. And guys, if you have seen the website, let me make you walk through over the website. I think you all have not got what we are discussing. All of you see here? If you see on the course, all of you see here. Let me make you all walk over the website. 12 plus real-time projects, 3 hours of core teaching, live doubts clearing session on Wednesday, extra assignments and quiz, bonus resume and personal branding. Now, the course has started from which date? Today, right? The course has started from today. Live session, Saturday and Sunday, 8 p.m. IST doubts clearing session, 3 hours of live teaching, class recordings provided, yes. 2 years of validity, Python programming, no prerequisites required. Now, if you come down, all of you see here, what are the projects we are covering? Praveen, what are the projects? Now you are telling Linux is complete. No, guys, I never told Linux is completed. You should check here. This class is just the fundamentals. If you see, we have a complete Linux class in week 6. If you see week 6, Red Hat Linux System Administration, where you are getting Red Hat Linux System project, Yum repository configuration, archiving, tuning, various kinds of disk management, file management, networking, Linux networking, everything will be coming under this, right? And if you have seen AWS, today only one slide we are touching. This is basics. Now, if you see AWS in this week 4, or I think, where is that? If you see here, this is where you are getting AWS completely. API Gateway, Route 53, advanced concepts. Today, guys, it's baby step for us. Are you understanding? Today is baby step for us. Yes or no? Yes or no? Today is just the baby step. From next week, if you are really telling me like, Praveen, is this basics? Then we will see. Okay. Clear, everyone? Are you getting a website things? What are there? Correct? Yes. Guys, everyone? Yes. Okay. Beautiful. Now, all of you see here. I hope you are clear with the website. And once you complete all the course, everything, you will be getting the certificate also like this. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to the students whose names are given here in the success stories. Clear? The way you have joined today's class, the same way you will be getting the things going forward also, right? Like documents, the project documents, everything will be here, right? So let's come back to the AWS part. Okay, all of you see here. The AWS has total of 22 plus. Okay. The AWS has total of 22 plus 2 regions. So what does this mean? When you talk about region, it means AWS has dedicated servers hosted. In India, how many places the servers are hosted for by AWS? 2 or 3, guys, all of you. 2 or 3. Hyderabad, Mumbai, where else? Some people are telling 3, some people are telling 2. Where? 2 only, na? Two only, right? Yes. Correct. Okay. Now, all of you see here, 2 regions we are having, Hyderabad and Mumbai. Okay. Hyderabad and Mumbai. These are 2 regions in India where they have their dedicated servers. Okay. I will tell you. Now, all of you see here, all over the world. Okay. 24 regions, they have servers like this. USA, they have some servers. And guys, HeyDevops is hosted all over the world. Guys, HeyDevops is hosted all over the world. Okay. Now, AWS, why AWS is very much famous? I will tell you one thing, because it has launched very first in the year 2009-10, and it got very famous. And you know, I'll tell you one example. Now, there is Book My Show, guys. Just Tickets, it came, right? And there are many other platforms. Now, tell me, which one people use more? Tell me. The one which has came into market or the later one? Tell me. Yes, Book My Show. I use Book My Show only because that is what, yeah, Paytm. Yes, that's what I'm telling. But prominent, like Redbus came, right? And various kinds of things are there. But Redbus is good, right? When people are trying to book anything, right? Now, all of you see here, yeah, prominent. That's what I'm doing. Prominent is book my show. Clear? Now, all of you see here, when we are talking about a server, okay, all of you see here, when we are talking about a server, what are the important things? Network, laptop. Server is what? Laptop. You need a network to work on laptop. You need storage to work on laptop. You need memory. Guys, all the things we are going to see in the coming classes. Clear, everyone? Networking, you will see. Storage, you will see. And memory, what are the things you are going to do? You will see. Clear, everyone, guys? Yes, CPU, memory, everything. Right? Yes. Now you see, in AWS, there are availability zones also. Now, what does this mean? The regions, let's think like this. Under Hyderabad, how many of you have seen Hyderabad, the Amazon campus? Like, at least, have you gone to Gachibowli, that area? Nanekram Guda. Anyone from Hyderabad? Right? You would see that there is a world's biggest campus of Amazon is there. You all seen that? Right? You all have seen that, right? Now, assume that this is one server in Hyderabad, one place. The other place can be somewhere else, and those two are their availability zones. It means that if one is down, the other is up and running and serving the customer. Suppose the customer wants to take that, hey, boss, I need the servers from Hyderabad. Okay. It means that he will be selecting the availability zone both from Nanekram as well as, let's take like Gachibowli, right? These two are places in Hyderabad. So what will happen if one is down? The users will be redirected to other zone. High availability. Have you heard this word? High availability. Yes. Clear? Right? So that's what high availability will come into picture. Now you see storage. In AWS, there are various components like EBS, S3, and EFS. Okay, let's see about this a little bit. Now, all of you see here, when we are talking about EBS, now server is there. Guys, server is there. Server is having a disk. Yes, this disk is basically EBS. Okay, all of you? Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now you need to understand, right? The EBS is nothing but the hard disk in AWS. Okay. Similarly, like you go to the shop, get the hard disk, right? Similar to that hard disk, your hard disk will be this one, EBS. Elastic. The full form is elastic block storage. Okay. We will see everything. Like I have divided everything into the components: storage component, security component, your systems component, right? What else? IAM components, right? Route 53, these components like your security, more kind of a security component. The world geographic component, what are this? The SSDs, like here again, like your drive. Okay. And this is your servers component. Okay. Now, whatever you are seeing on the screen, going ahead, we will see one by one. Clear? Are you understanding? Now, S3, EBS is basically with servers, and S3 is also a storage bucket where you store files. Okay. Now tell me, how many of you have bank accounts here? Now tell me, to be honest, how many of you have bank accounts here, guys? All of you have, right? Now tell me one thing. When you are having the bank account, have you any time tried to download the last 1 year statement? How many of you have done that? Last 1 year statement download. Yes. Now imagine that the banks are saving your data somewhere. Have you ever imagined where that data is saved? On the go it is giving. Have you ever imagined where that say? No, not DB. They don't save data in DB, guys. They save data in file in buckets. If it is cloud, they store in buckets. S3 kind of thing. No, it's not saved in DB. Why they have to save in DB and they have to do all these things? Okay, Lakshman, correct. Yes, clear everyone? Right? So now let's do some things for you, right? Okay. So we are at the end of the slide. Let's do few things for you understanding. Okay, all of you see here. Now, All of you see here? Another 5 minutes, I will talk about few things which are mandatory for you to know. Okay, all of you see here? Now, first, the recordings are available, guys, for you. Okay, recordings are available. The second, the PDF, the project documents, the assignments, everything is available for you under the same module, right? The third thing, what else? The website is available for you. And fourth thing, the chat community access is available for you, right? Now, how to join the chat community now? Have you all got the Telegram link, guys? Have you all got the Telegram link? Yes. So guys, if you have not please understand the way you have joined the session. Under that, there will be bridge documents. Have you seen the bridge documents, guys? Have you seen the bridge documents? You have not seen the bridge documents. No, I cannot show you, but all of you open your website, log in with your registered user ID or your number. There will be bridge documents, the module wise, week wise module is there, right? Above session one, you will see. Okay, guys, let me write it in this way. All of you see here? No, explore the website, guys. Where is the Telegram link? I will tell you. All of you see here? There is a community. Okay, community page access. Okay, like this, the heading will be there. Okay, under the purchase tab, you go to the purchase tab. You will see 5.0. Go to there and click on the community page. There will be to access Telegram link. Okay, with a note. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Now, browser is also updated. Browser is also there. Okay, you just check. Clear? The Telegram link is there. Under this, there will be bridge documents. Okay. Under this, the session 1 is there. All of you check now right away in the class, because I don't want anyone to leave. All of you check right away. Can you all check? Got it? If you are thinking it's not updated in browser, then open incognito. Anytime if you face error, open incognito and try, or just check from other browser. Clear? Got it, all of you? Telegram link, all of you got it? Guys, anyone is there who is not getting? You have not joined any channels yet. Please join a channel to start chatting. No, not that chat. Raghavan, you need to go to the purchase Prime Batch 5.0 above the session 1. All of you see here, there will be like this session 1 module, right? Session 1. About this, there will be bridge documents. Above this, there will be Telegram community links, like a module itself. Guys, these three are important. Have you seen everyone? Yeah, Telegram group access. Yes. Clear? Have you got it? Everyone got it? Any student who is not getting that, can you tell me? How to practice after your class? How much time to get? Yes, I am talking about that also. Yes. Have you got it? Great. Now, all of you see here, once you join the Telegram group, I will tell you, whenever my team is posting, all of you see here, whenever my team is posting on Telegram, yes, green tick, great. Yes, all of you see here, in Telegram, once you join Telegram, okay, all of you see, whenever my team is posting something, you will get something like comments section. All of you open the Telegram and check the comments. Just check below every post, there will be something like box and comments. Have you seen this? Yes or no? How many of you have seen this? Yes or no? All of you have seen, right? That is your chat group. Okay, the 5.0 Prime discussion group, it will route you, right? Route to you, and there you can discuss with your friends. And alternatively, no, it's messages are there. Not allowed? Oh, okay. Let me check. Let me check with my team. We will make the arrangements accordingly. Okay. Now, there is one more community page. All of you have seen feed page. Guys, all of you have seen the feed page? Feed. Okay, this feed page. All of you have seen this feed page? Yes. This is where people are liking, right? Any issues, any comments they are posting. Yes. This is also available for you. Okay. You can talk, you can do whatever here you want. You can share your ideas. You can share your thoughts. See, someone is telling, hey, fellow tech enthusiast, I currently working on AWS architecture. Some issue is there. Some people have liked, some people are commenting. Are you able to understand? This is your community page. So Srinivas, if you are not seeing anything under your purchase tab, guys, all of you are seeing under purchase tab only, na? The 5.0 or products tab, purchase tab only, right? All of you? Yes. Purchase tab only, right? Yes. Clear, everyone? So all of you need to understand, this is how you join the class. Okay, this is how you join the class. Everything will be visible to you. Okay, and if you have any issues, always you check. That we will do it. Okay, in the Prime chat group, we will do it. We were not knowing, we will do it. Okay, today we will enable it. Okay, clear. And coins are redeemable, guys. The more you are active on the website, the more you are going to get coins. And with this coins going forward, you can redeem. We will put some documents or like in the future, not for Prime Batch 5.0, but in the future. Rishali, are you there in the class? Okay, guys, those who are not able to find the purchase tab, open the app in incognito or join from browser. Okay, join from browser. iOS, guys, are you using iOS app to see that? Who is that webinar user? If you are using iOS app, iOS is not developed yet. Please don't use iOS. Okay, please don't use iOS. In iOS app, you will not find anything. Don't use iOS. This is only for Android and website purely. iOS, you will not see purchase tab. You have to join from this. iOS is still under development. Okay. Okay, if you are able to see, if you are not able to see, that's completely fine. Okay. Yes. Email. Yes. Join always all the classes from laptop only. Yes. Clear, everyone? Yes. Clear, everyone? Great. Okay, nice. Now, all of you see here, this is the community page where you can come and talk with your friends. The other one is Telegram chat page, which we will open for everyone, right? As we have promised, we will open right after, maybe you can say like 1 p.m. or so today, we will be opening that. Yes. Okay. Now, those who have issues, they can always mail to this mail ID. All of you see here, HeyDevops batch5@gmail.com. Okay. All of you, those who have issues. Yes. Clear, everyone? HeyDevops batch5@gmail.com. If you feel, send with the screenshots. Because of that, you are not like this. Leaderboard, those who are active. Those who are active in the website, their names will be flashing on the screen. So let's take Siddharth has how many coins? Almost 9,000 coins he has. He has his resume. He is telling about himself and he has given some links also, right? Okay, clear, everyone? Any questions, guys? Let's do the Q&A now. Okay, let's talk with everyone here. Now, all of you, okay, I will ask one question. Okay, going forward, guys, please join with your name. Okay, are you understanding? Please join with your name. Yes, all of you, please. Okay, all of you, please use only the chat option. Don't use the Q&A option, right? Clear, everyone? All of you, please use the chat option to chat with me. Don't use the Q&A option, because Q&A option, I will not be checking. Chat, I'll be able to tell. Okay? Yes, hands-on laptop, office laptop, you can do it. No issues. Okay? Yes, technology is used for HeyDevops. You will definitely see. Documents and everything will be under the module where the way you have joined, it will be same. Okay? Now, all of you see here. In interviews, why did you select Python instead of Java? Because in Walmart, I was using Python. So I was comfortable with that. Yes, Windows also you can do it. We are installing all tools on AWS, so don't worry about that. DevSecOps is there now, 45. Next class, coming classes we are having. Yes, you will get Amal, don't worry. How to edit name, just explore, you will get in the chat options only. Will you cover any build to? Yes, I will cover. Guys, when I'm talking about project, this project will be making sure that you are job ready. Okay. Can't download from. Okay. Has the batch started? Yes, today only the batch has been started. Okay. First class. Will you be giving? Okay. Sure. I'm good. Hemant. Praveen, how much time I will spend in DevOps? Okay. All of you see here. This is one good question for anyone who is needing the job. Okay. All of you see here. Okay. This is the frequent question I'm getting. How much time I need to spend? Okay, this is very simple. Now, all of you see here, 3 hours on Saturday plus 3 hours on Sunday. Additionally, every day you have to spend 2 hours each on that tools. Okay, clear everyone? The bridge documents are there for you, and I will be sharing the knowledge base GitHub links also with you. 3 hours Saturday, 3 hours Sunday, plus 2 hours daily, Monday to Friday. So total how many hours, guys, per week? Right? All of you see? Monday to Friday, 5 days. So 5 into 2, 10 hours. Okay. 3 plus 3, 6. Right? So it is total is 16 hours per week you need to spend. If not 16 hours, at least make sure 10 hours plus you dedicate your time on learning. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Coding, don't worry, guys. Those who are weak in coding, don't worry. We are targeting beautiful things in the coming up days. So you will be getting that, all those things. I am weak in coding. I am able to, yes, definitely. Are we going to implement project along with you in the session? No, you will be watching me and I will be implementing so that you don't get diverted, so that you don't get stuck. I'll be implementing. Clear? Will you be teaching Python? Yes, guys. How much time you are always having that doubt? Why are you not seeing? This is your website, guys. Explore the website. See, Python is there. Python real-time programming project is there. Chatbot Python programming is there again. Clear, everyone? Right? AWS DevOps. Yes, it's AWS DevOps. Every company is following continuous delivery, Shiva Shanmugam. Okay. Yes, definitely. Yeah. So guys, all of you see here. Yes, definitely it will help you. Hi, Praveen. After live class, when will the recording will be available? Recording will be available like by evening. Okay. Because 1080p, it has to render all the data and it will be available. So don't worry. Yes, guys, all of you see here. Mahfouz is asking one good question. Last 2 months, I have cracked all the companies. So along with the interview answers, I will be sharing the questions also. Okay. Don't worry. Yes, mock interviews preparations are covered. DevSecOps is also there. Don't worry. DevSecOps, you see here, 45. Where is that 45? Auto version update, SonarQube. So all of you see here, security tools. DevSecOps also we are covering. Yes, you are eligible. Istio is also there. Don't worry. Yes, you can upload remote job. Hi, Praveen. Wonderful. Okay, great. Now all of you see here. Now tell me. Okay, all of you see here, guys. One important thing I would like to tell you. All of you know my LinkedIn profile. Guys, all of you know my LinkedIn profile, right? Let me share the screen, all of you. Okay, all of you see here, my LinkedIn profile is there, right? Now, in this LinkedIn profile, all of you, see, I always want you all to share your learnings, right? If you see my LinkedIn profile, I always share my learnings, my daily routine, what I am doing, where I am going, which people I am meeting. So guys, all of you see, going today, if you want to get job, right? People or the recruiters come to the people, those who are active on this platform. So you see, these people are not just like that. They have become something, see, engineering manager at Google, because they are active on LinkedIn, right? So what I would tell is, right, if you have liked today's session, all of you, this is our platform, guys. All of you can tag this page, Hey DevOps. Okay, Hey DevOps. You can tag this page and you can share your learnings. All of you see here, once you tag, your post will be coming here, right? 5 years of gap, still Shivam got a job. Okay, so like that, see, this guy has tagged. Hi folks, today I have attended Hey DevOps webinar, how to crack product-based companies. Very good learnings is what he's telling. And 79 people have liked, 3 comments, right? See, testing the ELB. Kiran Tyagi is telling how he has learned all those things. My interaction. So all of you, once you come to your LinkedIn profile, right? Once you say like start a post, you just type like head Hey DevOps. Okay, head Hey DevOps. You search. I'm typing how to do your first post also. Hey DevOps and at Praveen Singampalli. You can type both names or you can keep at least Hey DevOps. With that your post will be coming under us and we will be able to acknowledge to the people. And you can tag me also. And whatever your learnings are, like Git, Linux, AWS, right? Or your motivation, your CICD flow, which we have visualized on the background of mine, all the things you can put it here. Clear everyone, right? Everyone. And also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. And guys, this is your Jira portal, which we will be creating. Everyone will be creating your own Jira portal, right? And you will have your projects. We'll be soon doing this. Don't worry. And all of you, I hope you all have Instagram with you, right? So all of you see here in this Instagram, you can tag me, right? And see, this is what is different, is making us different, right? Visa 36 LPA, right? Now, millions of people have seen us, right? Seen us doing good things. You can tag at Singam for DevOps, right? And you can post your learnings, right? Clear everyone? Right? Yes or no? Yep, got Insta. All of you see here, this is my Instagram ID. I will be sharing with you all, right? And you can watch it. Clear everyone? No, Shiva, that's not needed. Currently, I'm working on OpenShift admin. Can this? Yes, definitely. It's related. Yes. Asif. Okay. Okay. Who is this? Hello, sir. Myself, Sahid from Hyderabad. I have 2.8 years of experience and as an Amazon transportation specialist. Due to recession, lost job in a month of July. Prior to losing my job, I already joined bootcamp related to AWS and finished it. Later, I researched about DevOps. Very much liked it. And okay. Yes, definitely, Sachit. Definitely will be working, right? When will the job market will be open? Jan 2024 is what my expectation. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. These are like your projects, 12 plus projects. If anyone wants to see, is it possible to clear 4 to 6 interviews after 4 to 6 weeks of classes? Yes, definitely. Right. Within 1 month, you will see change in yourself. That is sure. Right. I am a 365 admin office engineer with 3 years of experience, but to DevOps fresher, surely I will get same LPA on my move to DevOps, right? Or will be considered a fresher? No, you will not consider a fresher. We will tailor make your resume in such a way that you get at least 2 years into admin role and 1 year into DevOps, like that. Okay. Okay, may I know why did you choose AWS instead of GCP or Azure? Because AWS, I was working in all the organization like Walmart or Verizon or Infosys. So I like AWS. Okay. Okay. I have 7 years of experience in DevOps and I'm looking for further enhance my skills, DevOps engineer lead. It appears that your training program is primarily tailored or new to this. No, guys, when you are typing, please type your name also, right? Now, if you see going ahead, I am sure that even if you are 7 years of experience, I myself doubt that will you be capable of completing all the projects or not. Okay. So those who are experienced, don't think like this course is not for them. Those who are freshers, don't think like, okay, ye to padhai raha hai normally. All have to work hard to achieve. Okay. So it's not like that. Okay. Clear everyone? I'm in Titus Diggs for Jenkins. Okay. If you're not able to change your name while joining, you change it. Okay. Okay. Hi, sir. I'm Prashant, member of 5.0 as market. GCP is booming. No, yeah. GCP, how can you tell? Okay. I have 3 years of experience working as Linux admin. I want to switch to DevOps role. How much CTC I can expect? 3 years, you can expect around 15 to 18 LPA is what market is giving right now, right? I live in Germany and most of our customers here Azure. How would I use these tools? All the tools are capable of using into various kinds of cloud. So don't worry about that. I'm working as a developer and shift DevOps. Yes. Okay. Do you offer separate batches for big? No, everything is here only. From Sai Krishna, great. Like that, you put names, guys. Working as cloud infrastructure specialist, can I recreate all these concepts on OCI along with AWS? Yes, you can do it, definitely. Oracle cloud infrastructure, people are not using much. If you are into very kind of Oracle things, then only do that, okay? Hi Guruji, I am Pushkar Patil, currently pursuing master in San Jose. I need to find a job at earliest. Is there any way to complete this course in fast pace? Pushkar, see yaar, jitna daudoge, utna aap thakoge. I want you all to understand from basics to advanced, start slowly, learn slowly, and complete all the things. That's what I would like to tell. Hey Praveen, I am Akansha. Here I am on bench now, 2.7 years of experience, previously worked in support. So yes, so guys, for support, for testing domain, for DBA domain, everyone, this course is helpful to get changed into other track. Okay. Pankaj Patil, my AWS account is blocked. Then create a new one. Don't worry. Right? Don't worry about whether that will get open or not. Clear, everyone? Clear, guys? Now, what are the other questions? Now, let's talk with few of you. Now, before that, I want to know you. AWS, only one service you have to pay. We will talk as the AWS class starts. Now, all of you, okay, all of you, I'll make a small video, then we will talk. Okay, then we will talk. Okay, all of you see here. I'll make a small video. Okay. Now, you all have to tell me from which place you are from joining today's class. Okay, clear? Clear, everyone? So I will ask you all a question and you have to tell me which place you are from. Okay, all of you? Okay. Now I'll start the video recording. So yes. So yes, today we have started the Prime Batch 5.0 and people are here from various places. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Hyderabad, London, Bangalore, California, Nagpur, Gurgaon, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, Pune, Punjab, Chennai, so many places, Boston, Hyderabad, Texas, Guntur, and Gorakhpur, Hyderabad. So very, very different cities, Belgium, Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Dubai. Okay, Dubai also we have. And how was the class today, guys? How was the class? Did you got something new to explore? Did you find the Josh, high Josh? Did you find the confidence in delivering what you are going to get in coming 2 months? And ekdam jhakas, good start, Anantapur, right? Josh is high, great. And definitely join tomorrow's class, right? We will do the tools installation setup and also share your learnings in LinkedIn and Instagram. Okay. Okay, great. Joshua was high. You all are really good, right? Now let's talk with few of you, right? Now I will give you access for people, those who want to talk, allowed to talk. Now, guys, those who have kept their names, I can give them the access. Okay, please raise your hand. Alok. Okay, Alok Nayak, I have given you the allow talk access. Hemant, allow talk. Amit, allow talk. Parthasarthi, allow talk. Shiva Shanmugam, allow talk. Okay, guys, go ahead. Guys, go ahead. Talk.
Hello.
Yes. Guys, are you not able to unmute? What happened?
Hello, Praveen.
Yes, I'm able to hear you. Go ahead, Shiva. Yes.
Yeah. Thanks for a wonderful start off to this DevOps campaign, first of all. Looking forward. So I'm already 13 plus years of experience in the IT field. So the current session deals about, I think it is a refresher of Linux, AWS and all those basics. I'm looking forward for the other real-time projects which is planned in the forthcoming weeks. So my one basic question would be is in overall 13 years of experience I have, and in the last 2 years I have managed to get a opportunity to work in continuous integration team, this build and release engineering team. So what can be a target CTC which I can fix in my mind after this DevOps workshop so that I can march towards that? Is there any suggestion which you would like to share?
Sure. So Shiva, let me be very honest with you. I have in 4.0 batch 18 years of managers with me. And I am very much telling promisely, they have attended all my classes. You search in your HeyDevops followers, Amit Kumar will be one person, or anywhere if you see Amit Kumar's comment, he is the person with 18 years of experience. He was with me till the end of the class. And package, coming onto the package, I am telling why I told about that person is because people are there more than your experience also, right? Now, coming onto the package, I as of now, if we are considering current market scenario, we'll be targeting, like, let's take like 50 to 60%. Like first is 30% hike, then 35 to 40% hike, then 60% hike, then slowly we will go. Now, considering the market scenario, I'm telling, because in the last 2 months, I have from a X LPA to getting like X plus 10 LPA or 20 LPA is very difficult right now in the current situation. But we will try our best. With my projects, I am guaranteeing, with my interview experience, by my interview questions, my what you call coding questions, everything I will share, right? So with that, you will be understanding in-depth questions. Okay, in-depth things.
Okay. Sorry, I have a follow-up question as well. So one related to this AI tools ruling. I think this ChatGPT or Bard, though they are very much premature in phase. So most of the coding related aspects and most of the DevOps related aspects, if you give a prompt accordingly, that is taking care of most of the things rather than a regular DevOps engineer. So do you think this ChatGPT or Bard also should be part of our program as kind of a workshop or a
no, ChatGPT and Bard, if you see in Adobe, in Rubrik, in Zeta, in EPAM, in the last 2 months, which I have cracked, no person asked whether you are capable of using ChatGPT, whether you are capable of using Bard, nothing. Okay, that is completely different stream. We are not going to talk about that also. We are going to talk only what is needed for you to grab the job. That's it. Okay, Shiva, thanks. Okay, Vinay, go ahead. I have given you the unmute access, and those who have got the unmute access, please talk, guys. Okay, please talk.
Yeah, just a small question.
One question. Okay, go ahead, Vinay. Yeah.
Yeah, just a small question, like how will you going to cover this all topics within the 2 months, like these all like or we are going to cover like with the projects, while completing the project all tool will get covered, like how?
Correct. So going forward, you will see 2 hours of theory and 1 hour of project, or 1.5 hour of theory, 1 hour of project, and some time for doubts clearing session. Now, this is the, like every time, if you see batch by batch, the projects are going evolving. The theory is also going to be evolved. Now, my confidence is similar to the previous batch students, how they have got placed in like 2 months. They have started searching, and let's take like 15-20 days, they started searching, they have got jobs. So I have confidence in myself. If you have confidence, right, you should be having confidence that yes, we can do it, right? Because you see, no mentor gives you 12 plus projects in 2 months. Okay, we are focusing mostly on projects, and I am guaranteeing that if you are with me till the end of this class or end of this program, then definitely we'll be achieving what are the results that you are thinking. Clear? Okay. Now, anyone? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Anyone else? I have given. Yeah, Mahesh, go ahead.
Hey, Praveen. Good afternoon.
Yes. Yes, good afternoon. Yes.
So currently I'm working as AWS Cloud Engineer.
Yes.
According to my role, there is no technical work in AWS. So basically I write tickets and resolve the request, like in service desk. So I want to change in DevOps side, like have few certifications in AWS and GCP. So I have total 8 certifications. Coming to technical work, I have good knowledge. So I'm not getting any relevant work in my company. So I want to change other company. How can I look out the DevOps? That's why I enrolled into this course.
Okay. So Mahesh, okay. Good question, by the way, for everyone, right? So guys, let me be very honest with you. I always tell, I applied in portal for job, LinkedIn, InstaHire, Naukri.com, Foundit.com, right? In these 4 platforms, you get various kinds of opportunities. And also in InstaHire.com, you get the HR names. With that HR name, you copy that HR name and search for the HR name in LinkedIn and you send the request. So I used to do that. And you need to be hunger for job. Like me, like I was very hunger for job, I got the opportunities, right? Like that, you need to be hunger. Apply in all the 4 platforms which I have told you. If you have started looking for the job, if not, just wait for some more time. to grab that opportunity. Okay. So yes, anyone else? I've given many people.
Hi, Singam.
Okay,
Yeah.
Parthasarathy, go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
I have lost my job 2 months ago in
Mhm.
HCL.
Yeah.
So I have on my cross, I want to learn the DevOps and move to DevOps engineer. I have
Okay.
seen multiple sessions and multiple mentors over the YouTube, and I am across the LinkedIn through you. There I have
Mhm.
enrolled in my course, so
Yes.
that I got a very good knowledge. As I am listening from the YouTube session from last 1 month, your sessions and Terraform architecture, all those things, it was a very good session. But how would I overcome all this session as I am a DevOps fresher? I don't know about the DevOps anything. So by coming, listening all those your videos, I am getting very much interested. I
Yes.
can perform well from my end. How can you suggest
Okay.
me going forward?
Yes,
And how
definitely.
to do my practice?
Yes. So see, you are telling you already have seen YouTube projects for the last 1 month, right?
Yeah.
Same way, however, you have completed all those things, this projects also you complete, and every week there is an assignment. So you should complete assignment plus the projects here. And that is why I'm telling weekly per day 2 hours, like Monday 2 hours, Tuesday 2 hours. You wake up early in the morning or you sleep late night, you manage your time, complete all the DevOps things, and that's how we crack the job. And guys, one more thing, whatever the projects you are learning, this projects only we are going to keep in resume at the end. So that is what the agenda is. Okay. Yeah, Partha, got it?
Yeah, I got it. And one more
Good.
question. How would I explain them, I mean, in the interviews, about the projects?
Yes. So once you complete, like let's take like chatbot automation is there with Python. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's think like this. You can tell like, okay, if interviewer asks, what is the unique thing you have done, right? In that unique thing, you can tell like, okay, I have done chatbot automation where my team has asked various kinds of scenarios. Like let's take Jira integration with Slackbot, or the bot used to respond to the user queries, general user queries. So all those things this has done, right? So you can tell by yourself that because you have done the project and you are
Yeah.
capable of explaining the things, you will be able to tell. Okay.
Okay.
Great. Okay.
Thank you, Singam.
Okay. So go ahead. Who was that? Next thing.
Hi, Praveen.
Oh, who is that?
Hemant. My name is Hemant.
Okay, Hemant, go ahead.
Hi. It was a great first day of the DevOps course. Thank you for this course. Look,
Yes.
I have a question. Like, I'm a recent graduate, and
Yes.
I have a less CGPA. Do you think still
Okay.
I'll be able to crack good companies? Like, but I have to be skilled. Yeah, I'll be like give my commitment and my time for this course, and
Yes.
I'll try to excel in it. Then
Yes,
later,
definitely.
is it possible?
What I will do now, I will bring my previous batch students to you all, right? How
Yeah.
5 years person have got job, right? You should know, right? How what he has
Yeah.
done. I will tell like luck also plays an important role. It's just not like that. He just went and he got the job. He continuously applied for last 4 months, I think, and he finally got a job. But see, we are only targeting jobs, right? I will bring all the people. Maybe you can get guidance like, okay, what they have done. You can talk with them also. Okay.
Okay.
As of now, whatever we tell, you just complete all the things. Resume building.
Sure.
I will give my
Yeah.
templates. I will give my questions, right? That will help definitely. Okay.
Sure. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
great. Sai Priya. Okay, Sneha Priya, I have given you access. Go ahead.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Hey, hi Sneha. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, like I have IT experience of 4 years. I'm working as a DevOps. I can say it is a support role kind of like where like I'm working for banking domain. And like for everything there is a backend team. So my exploration on the tools is very, very less. So how can I like enhance my knowledge on that? So
Yes.
I work on Jenkins, Maven builds, and I have Docker as well. But still, there is a backend team for everything who manage everything. So my access is completely restricted. So like exploration part is also very less.
Correct.
So how can I learn on that?
Correct. Okay.
Like, that's my question.
I was in your position in the previous organization. So what I used to do is, let's think like this. You have Confluence page in your organization. How many of you have Confluence page? Sneha, you have Confluence pages?
Yes, I do.
Yes, everyone have the Confluence pages in organization, those who are working. So what I used to do now, or you have a Slack channel or messaging Teams channel or Zoom channel. So what I used to do, whoever is very active in that Slack channel or some person, let's say you don't have access to Kubernetes. Let's assume that there will be a separate Kubernetes channel because you are working. I'm telling this scenario. I used to go to that channel. I used to find that who is the one person who is very much active, ping him and understand from him. At least you request like, hey, can I have 20 minutes of your time? I just want to understand the end-to-end flow of Kubernetes, how it is working. As of now, I am working on these tech stack, but just wanted to understand how that is working. You take time from him or her. If he is not helping, ask him if he can provide some required documents to go over, right? Now, why I am telling, you are already working in an organization. You should know what is Kubernetes doing on the backend, what your organization structure, diagrams, and everything, right? So that's how I learned when I was in Verizon.
Okay.
Okay, great. Thanks. Okay.
Thank you.
And now I think one more person I have given access. I have given so many people access. Go ahead. Yeah. Anyone. Okay. Guys, go ahead.
Hello, Praveen.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Hello, Praveen. I have 7 years of experience, but the thing is like I have exposure to like all these DevOps tools, like 20%, 30%, like various tool to tool. But I have good knowledge on Linux and I have good experience into deployments and all. Like I have touched all of the tools. But the thing is like my current and previous roles are like not 100% DevOps. So what I can mention in the resume about previous experiences and current experiences, like how we can accommodate all these DevOps things.
So okay, good question. Now, very good question. Now, everyone, all of you see here. Now, whatever the projects we are doing, I am requesting everyone to select 3 projects for everyone. Each student should select 3 projects from here. Those who are domain change people, those who don't know DevOps, along with that, those who are very new to this field, right? I would ask you to, I would request you join every session. At the end, we will select 3 projects from this 12 projects, and we will keep that 3 projects in your resume. Each year, we will convert that. Like, if you have seen my resume, I always put like this: DevOps/monitoring engineer in one project, DevOps/AWS engineer, DevOps/security. Like this, I used to put. So 3 projects, 1 project, 2 project, 3 project. Like that. I will tell you, don't worry. But yeah, this projects will help you. This is my guarantee. Okay.
Hi,
Okay, great.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Next person.
Yeah. Hi, Praveen. This is Vishnupriya.
Vishnupriya.
Yeah.
Vishnupriya, your ID. Okay, webinar user.
Yeah. Sorry for that.
Okay, no problem.
Actually, I have a 6 years gap. Now I got married. I have 2 kids. Now I want to go for organization. How can you help me to go for that?
Okay, 6 years of gap. Before that, how many years of experience you have?
No, after BTech, I got married, and now I have 2 kids.
Oh, okay. So you want to start job fresh, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now you see, okay, in
If
Walmart.
I want to go for a fresher, or I want to go for an experience.
In Walmart, in Adobe, in other companies like Microsoft, you always have a woman-related, entry. Okay. Now I want you to search for this, right? Woman-related entry, right? Where these people will open certainly only for women, those who are having career gap or till now no work, right? Because that is like women empowerment they have started. Walmart has one women empowerment program where they conduct interviews and they take only the women who are like career gap, who don't have like the experience and everything, right? But I would say, don't bother about that. Start working on like what are the things we are learning in the class, how you can make your resume, what are the projects you have to keep it, right? Everything you have to make sure you are following. And I will be maybe if going forward, because till now, no student I had like from BTech 6 years and that to women. So we will check some women opportunities and I'll be sharing with you because I have some women colleagues. You can follow this girl also. She is very good in LinkedIn. Right, you can just check with her also.
Okay.
She always posts such kind of opportunities for everyone, like the community. Soumya Singh, she is my friend only. You can follow her. She is very good. She always releases some women-related things, right, and developer-related things. You can check her profile. Okay, just be active also. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. So guys, any other questions you have?
Hello.
Yes, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Hi, Praveen. My name is Alok.
Yeah, Alok. Yeah.
It's a good start today. I
Yes.
have 3 years of experience, but in DevOps, I have 1.5 years of experience only. Okay. So, my question is, in next 10 years or next 15 years, how DevOps going to survive in this AI world, and how everything going to, what new technologies came, how
Correct.
we are going to survive?
Now, let me tell you, DevOps, you all have heard. Dev chat ops, how many of you have heard, guys? Dev chat ops, how many of you have heard? Have you heard dev chat ops? Hello, have you heard?
Yes.
You have heard dev chat ops, you have heard?
No.
No, right? But you know, chat GPT, okay, chat GPT, which companies are using, internal chat GPT, not the external one. They have changed some of the developers and some of the DevOps engineers they have taken, and they have put like dev chat ops. Okay. This is new thing. Now you see dev and ops are same. Chat is coming in between, like chatbots they will be developing. Okay. Now you see dev ML ops. How many of you have heard this? Everyone would have heard. DevSecOps.
Yeah.
Right. Now what my assumption in the down the line next 10 years, this will be same. The intermediate will be different. The middle person will be different always. They will come up with new things. Dev AI ops, dev chat ops, like that, right? So don't worry about that. DevOps is always there, because at the end, companies have to do everything on DevOps only. Okay, without that, nothing is happening. Okay.
And in which technology, like Kubernetes or Linux, in which technology
in everything,
focus, like we give our 100%, like it is going to be with us for
yes. It's for everyone. It's for every tool. It's for every tool we have to learn. And when new tool is coming, we have to go with that also. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Praveen.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So guys, this is what my talk is. Now let's take some chat questions also. Okay. I will make the chat a little bit bigger. Okay.
I have one last question.
Okay. Who is this?
I'm Sneha Priya.
Okay, Sneha, go ahead.
So like, the thing is, I have a 3 months of notice period. So how do I handle interviews? Like when I say 3 months notice period, I won't be getting much opportunity. So how do I handle that?
Okay. Have you started job search?
No, not yet, but still I have a 3 months of notice period. So that is my biggest concern.
Okay. So I would never tell to the recruiters 3 months of notice period you have. The best option is tell them you are in a bench and you have 45 days, you can be released from the bench. Right now, that is what I have followed when in 2019 I was doing the job search. I used to tell them like I am having 45 days of notice period and all, right? So I used to tell them like that, and I used to get the first offer, and for the next offer I used to tell them like the next date, like 10 days I used to give buffer, and when the next offer is getting released, like that I used to do until I got my favorite company job. I didn't put the resignation in the previous organization. Like that I worked. Okay. And it is purely dependent on your ability, how you can tackle that scenario. If you are very much confident, okay, whatever happens, but I should go with this, please go ahead. If you think that no, Praveen, I cannot handle all these things, then I would suggest stick with the 90 days notice period, get a genuine company and do that. People who are having 90 days notice period, they never, I mean, those who are getting jobs in this current scenario, they never go with genuinity. Okay. Right. You have to play some games for yourself, for your better things. Right. Clear, everyone? Great. Okay. Yeah. Now I will take questions on the chat. Yeah. For the next few minutes, let's talk. Even I have this issue, HR disconnects the call. Yes. No, don't tell, guys. If you are with Singam, don't tell 3 months of notice period. Okay, please. Okay. At least try to do 1-2 times that thing. Okay. Now some student is telling Praveen, don't only focus on few questions. Okay. Now that is why I have come for chat. I don't know who is that. Guys, if you are joining tomorrow's class, I want everyone to come with your name so that I identify who is that person rather than webinar user. Okay. Join with your name. Okay. So Vinod is asking, hey Praveen, I have 4 years of experience in DevOps and I am currently looking for a job change. Which company should be best to target big MNC and startups from learning perspective? Okay. So Vinod, what I will do, I will share one document where you can target which companies are best. Okay. All the good companies I will share as a document. So don't worry about that. Okay. Can I sit after this batch means repeated your class? Can I get Job? Yes, Abdul, definitely. Hello, Praveen. I have 4 years of gap. Oh, okay. The Dayaz, see, for the career gap people, I have given one solution, right? And you can start job search, right? And how people are taking like that gap, how you are filling that gap is important, right? Okay, clear? Insta hire, LinkedIn, Naukri, and what is the other platform? Okay. Foundit.com, right? I am a WebLogic admin. Will this course help me to get a job? Yes, guys, again, I'm telling for domain change people, for DevOps engineers, for other domain people, this course is perfect. No, not all tools, but limited tools with perfection you need to know. Okay. Okay. Hi, I'm Arjun. I'm working as a EUC engineer with 4 years of experience. I have 0 experience in DevOps. Will it be easy to switch to DevOps? What is EUC, by the way? Arjun, can you tell me? Yes, there are opportunities for freshers also. Like last week only, my fresher got into Zoho. 2 weeks back, one 5 years gap person got into Gamma Stack. Sorry, not Game Stack, Gamma Stack. Okay. End user computing. Okay. System admin. Yes, you can. Right. Do we learn everything in depth? Yes, everything in depth. Yesterday, I got terminated mail from the company. Oh my God, due to recession, and I have 1 month of notice period, and I have 2 years of experience in K8s only. Yes, definitely, that's very sad. I don't know your name, brother, but yeah, definitely we will work, right? I'm with everyone, those who are having issues facing, like you can think, please be active on the community page. Definitely, you will going to get very good things going forward, right? Definitely one of the best, what you call like best opportunity you have taken from other students, right? Will be working, right? Definitely will be working, all right? Now, hi, Praveen, I am Swati. Okay, Swati, working as a software tester with you. I have a doubt which certification to take after 5.0. Now, don't take any certification. If you want to really go for certification after 2 months, select RHCSA, Red Hat Linux System Administration, then Kubernetes. Yes, clear? Swapna, I think we will talk later, right? Also, already I have talked with few of the people. I will take chat. If you have any questions, you can put it on chat. Okay, all of you see here. I got perfection. Can I keep as 2 years experience? Yes, definitely you can keep it. Hi, Singam Jagdish here, 2.5 years support role in AWS Jenkins. Will my present package define my upcoming package? Yes, definitely. Definitely, Jagdish. Why are you fearing? Himanshu, I have done Linux recently and I want to know that can I search job related to this or wait sometimes and target directly DevOps? Okay, all of you, those who are changing domain, wait some time. Check how you are getting projects, right? Without exploring things, if you directly jump onto job, it will be difficult. Who is this Praveen? I am sending messages. Guys, please put your name, right? You are webinar user. I cannot know your name. Sir, there are 2 types of K8 setup. Which one we are going to do hands-on? AWS EKS setup and the on-prem setup also. Both we will do. Okay. Hey Praveen, I am Chinni. I have 1.6 years of experience and now I am in bench. I want to switch to DevOps. How much CTC can I expect if I excel in DevOps after this course? You have to tell me your current CTC before you put any message, right? After that only I can tell. For 2 years experience, you can target 10 plus LPI. Okay, great. Okay, guys, when you are putting message, please put your name so that I can take. I have 14 years of experience and mainly looking for Kubernetes. Whatever you teach in class, yes, it's enough. Okay. How WebLogic differs from DevOps? You are a WebLogic admin, I know. You will know DevOps after joining this course. So wait for some time. Okay. Do you include RSU portion while yes, we will include. Okay, I think you are an experienced person. We will include. RSCSA certification improves the. Yes, Harshavardhan, it's definitely good because I have done RHCSA and I got the opportunities. Okay, are we uploading the resume before completion of 5.0? Yeah, like in the last 2 weeks we will be uploading. Okay. Hi Praveen, I am Venkat from USA. Current market is very tough. Yes, once every project is done, can we get resume? Guys, all of you stop. Don't chat with me now. Venkat has asked good question. You all will be getting the project documents from with me with roles and responsibilities. Is that good to hear? Guys, is that good to hear? Is that good to hear? Yes. You all will be getting each project roles and responsibilities with me so that you can put in resume with your own knowledge. Clear? Right? Great. Now, Uday is telling, I am having 7+ years in IT BUT support. Can I get 20 package? Currently, I am at 9.7. but support job. You are into support job, you can expect 15 to 18 LPA, right? Yes. From Harish, I worked 10 months as an intern, same company. Okay. I got permanent working up to date. Should I add my intern? Yes, guys, those who are interns, please add your internship experience also. Okay. Hi, I am Harsh. I have 3 years of experience in Azure Cloud and DevOps. Should I learn AWS Cloud as well? No, you can learn from this class itself. Don't worry about that. Clear, everyone? Okay. Gokul, I am 12 plus years of experience with monitoring background with 15 LPA. How can I achieve my DevOps goal? Yes, you are having 12 plus years of experience with 15 LPA, very less now, Gokul, correct? We will make it at least 25. 12 plus means you should get more. I don't know which company you are working, but to be honest, you should get at least 50 plus LPA for 12 years of experience. Minimum is that, okay? Please. Okay, okay, guys, one more thing. Guys, stop chatting. Guys, one more thing. Guys, stop chat. Don't type anything. All of you. Guys, okay, stop chat. Okay. Now, one thing. Whatever questions are there for you, right? Still classes are there, right? Still classes are there. In the first session only, answering all questions will be difficult, right? I would request you all, as you join, right? As you keep on continuing the classes with me, all your queries will be resolved, right? And one question which I'm getting obvious from everyone is, Praveen, how can I change my domain? With the projects, with the documents, with the roles and responsibilities, with my support, with my interview questions, with my experience, you will get that thing with you, right? Yes, SRE topics are also there. So definitely we will work towards the betterment of each individual. And guys, stay positive. If I'm not able to reply to your question, stay positive, because still classes are there. It's not the end of your class, right? You will join tomorrow, you will join day after. Doubts clearing session is also there, and few other things are also there, right? So don't worry, this is very basics. Okay, now all of you, yes, clear? Josh is high. Yes, clear, everyone? Josh should be high. Never get like low ball. Okay, low ball nahi hona hai. Josh should be high. Let me define what packages you should get according to current market scenario, so that your answers will be resolved. Most of you are asking, Praveen, so all of you see, this is what the market trend according to my last batch students, 0 to 2 years experience are grabbing anything around 3 to 10 LPA. Okay, right? And extreme cases, 13 LPA, not more than that. Okay, now all of you note down in your notebook, those who want to note it down. Okay, all of you see here, 3 to 6 years of experience. In the worst case, 7 to 15 LPA. And extreme cases, 20 LPA as of now. And more cases, 23 LPA they can go up to. Right? Now, all of you see here, for 7 to 11 years of experience, worst case, you can go like 15 LPA to 25 LPA. Okay, and extreme cases, you can go above 30 LPA. Okay, all of you see here, for the managers who are with me, 13 to 18 years of experience, you can cross easily 50 LPA. More than that, like I can give extreme case like 70 LPA. Okay, this is what, and it purely depends on your skills. Okay, on your skills, on our batch 5.0 projects, your ability to talk, leadership qualities. Okay, and main importantly, how much opportunities you are getting. Okay, and one more thing, guys, if I'm telling this package, this is purely based on my students package. Okay, not anyone's else. Okay, I will keep a terms and conditions, my students package I am telling, not everyone's. Though the packages are there, my students are getting, I am telling in terms of that. Okay, now you see, again, if you are joining every class, guys, this is again one more important terms and conditions. If you are not joining any class, I will be helpless. But if you are joining classes, then definitely we are going to bang on with better opportunity, my guarantee. If you are not joining, I am helpless. But if you are joining live classes, I will be able to help you the best, and you are getting the projects, everything from my side. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, right? Everyone clear with this, what we are going to talk? Both service-based and product-based, okay? Now, all of your questions got cleared, yes or no? With that one slide, all of you write down in your notebook, guys, this one, if you want to write it down, because I don't want to, again, get this question like, I have this much years of experience, I want to grab this. No, you should be now targeting how, guys, how, that is why you have joined here. Correct? Everyone? Right? And again, I am telling, if you are not with me, if you are not going to join classes, right, this is what I am focusing more. You have to join live classes to get the better opportunity. If you are not joining the live classes, watch the recordings, because every attendance, guys, again, I am telling, attendance tracker is there with us. The moment you tell something, I will be checking your attendance. My team will be checking your attendance, and based on that, we'll be taking the decision. Right? Clear, everyone? Yes, we have LinkedIn profile building, resume building, everything in the coming classes. Clear, everyone? So yes, the time is now 12:30. How is the Josh for tomorrow's session? We'll be installing tools set up in the class. I'll be doing everything from scratch. Please join tomorrow's class. Very important. And please, please, please share your learnings on LinkedIn. Don't put any screenshots from the class. Okay, all of you, don't put screenshots from our class. If you are sharing your learnings, you can put your own class notes as the screenshot. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear, everyone? Right? You can put your notes as a sharing. Now, why I will tell. In LinkedIn, people like to know what you have learned rather than from what you are showing in the screenshot. Just put in the notebook. Now, you see, all of you, I will tell you how students used to prepare themselves. Let me show you some things here. All of you see here, when I say jobs, okay. All of you see here. Okay, one second. I will show you some notes. Yeah, so you see this guy, right? He always prepare notes and tags me. Okay, see, always prepare notes. Like not only this, many students are there who are preparing notes and they are getting good things. Okay. Now, some students might tell all these things, but that's completely fine. Okay. I think where I have kept the notes part, I like maybe Prime 4.0. Let's see. So see, guys, class pictures, if you are keeping, keep in very short. Don't keep as much as you are keeping. So 4.0, see, people have kept what they are feeling and everything. You can do the same, right? Don't keep class screenshots because the people will not interact with your post, right? I would say, please write some notes and say, hey, DevOps. Okay, hey, DevOps, you can tag our thing. I would like to know at least 10 people tagging today. Who will be the 10 people? Can you tell me? Now, who will be the 10 people? I want to see your notes. I want to see your class notes. Who? Tell me. Only 2 people? Ganesh Satpade, right? 3 people, 4 people, right? 10 people I want to see today. You are tagging Hey DevOps and you are sharing your class notes. It means whatever notes you have written, the flow diagram, the Vande Bharat train, whatever the logic you have written, the ls-lrta, the commands, please post in the LinkedIn and tag Hey DevOps. Okay, tag Hey DevOps, right? And tag me also, your mentor, right? And whatever you can tell like Prime Batch 5.0 hashtag. Okay, all of you need to see because every tag should be like this, Prime Batch 5.0. This tag should be used in order to make sure you are filtering with this tag. Okay, and in LinkedIn and Instagram you can upload. Okay, so guys, all of you see the way you have joined today, join tomorrow also the same way. Okay, please, I will see you in tomorrow's class. Please, once the recordings are available, go over the recordings. The documents will be available. Explore the website. Again, I am telling, it's for you all. You all should get benefited from this Prime Batch 5.0. Okay, I hope you all have written your goals in the first page. Make sure you are watching that daily. Okay, clear, everyone? Okay, with that said, keep the Josh. Tomorrow we'll install all the tools on the system. Stay safe, stay tuned, have energy, and come back tomorrow. This is Singam signing off. Wish you all the luck with the Prime Batch 5.0. My target is 40 LPA. Let's see who will be the person who is with me, right? Join every session live. Don't skip the session, guys, because every penny counts. Every penny counts. How I am taking time coming out and teaching you all. Please come in that way to the class. Prepare yourself, right? This is Singam signing off. Please tag us. Mention in the Instagram, tag us. Your notes I want to see. And whoever is active, please make sure you are with us, right? Clear? So please take care, stay safe. Meet you all in the next class. Great. Yeah. Thank you all, right? Okay. Yes. And if you are very much happy with the classes, projects, please share our website link also with your friends, so that they also can see like what we are doing. Okay. Please share that. Okay. Great. Yes. Good health. Please take care of your health also. Very important. Okay. Right. Okay. This is Singam signing off. Meet you in next class. Explore the website, explore the DevOps coins, what you have. Please be active on the community pages. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Please take care. Bye. Yeah. Yes. And people on YouTube, guys, tomorrow's class will not be on YouTube. To be honest, this is the first class and everyone wanted to see how we are teaching. Some people didn't able to join the website. So for them, we have streamed on YouTube. But if you have liked the session, if you want to enroll, all the links are in the description, or you can just type www.heydevops.in and you can be the part of Prime Batch 5.0. ठीक है? चलो, bye. This is Singam signing off. पानी वानी पीते हैं, खाना वाना खाते हैं, रिलैक्स करते हैं, फिर शाम में पढ़ाई करेंगे. ठीक है? चलो, bye. Take care. Bye. Yes. Thanks. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Yes. People on YouTube, thanks a lot for joining. Please like the video if you like the content, and please check all the details in the description. Chalo, bye. Yes.